Hey gang, happy Monday. If you're happy to be here, if you're ready to be back to work, throw a W in the chat. Throw some dubs in the chat. Let's get it started. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great week. It was an awesome weekend, and we're back at it today. There they go. There they go. Yes, sir. Your market professionals. Hey, Z Gamers in the house. What up, Matt F? Red FX in the building. Scott's in the house. BACKKK TK. Yo. Walls in the building. Luca. Luca, I see you, Luca. Big Folk Reds here. Okay. Ricardo's in the building. All right. Yes, sir. All the mods are in the house. Good morning, Austin. Hey. Alexander's in the building. Crypto matting. Oh, Ghosted Me's here. Ghosted Me. Prickly. Disturbed. Forex Frank's in the building. Let's go. Yes, sir. Winners show up early. Yes, sir. Winners come early, stay late. Shout out to all the winners in the building. DL Foley's in the building. Fowler. Yeah, Fowler. It's moving too quick. Can't read. Hey. Yes, sir. Dubs in the chat, gang. Yes, sir. Z Gamer. I see Z Gamer in the London session. Good morning, Jeanette. Oh, XAU breakout. EA's in the house. Okay. Hey, Ewan's here. Let's go. All right. Beautiful. All right, gang. Good morning, Bradley. Morning. C. Lee's in the house. Good morning, Kate. Good morning, Elizabeth, Diana. All right. Awesome. Good to see you guys. Good to see everyone here bright and early, ready to go. It's gonna be a good week here, gang. Let me just send the Zoom link out. Give me 1 sec. Hey guys, if you're not in the free Discord, go ahead, join our free Discord. The link is in the bio. Welcome. All right, we're good to go. Let me share my screen here and boom. Let's lower the music just a little bit. Would you ever consider using headphones and? Oh yeah. I got a new setup coming, so I'm actually gonna get rid of this iMac here and get a whole new setup with headphones. Probably get a new mic as well. And yeah. Yep, I think it'll sound a lot better. A lot better. Trap star lifestyle. Yes, sir. All right. Alrighty, you guys ready to go? Ready to be back? It's Monday. You guys loosened up, right? Fresh. It's a fresh start to a new week, man. Whatever happened last week, it happened last week, you know. And last week is in the past, and we can only look forward to the future now, gang. Whatever happened then, whether it was good, whether it was bad, take everything that you need to take from it. Squeeze the juice out of it. Whether it was a failing week or whether it was a prosperous week, understand why it was either of those things, right? And if it was a failing week, then let's really start to tighten up this week. Let's really start to create that edge and that consistency for you this week. You know, if it was a great week last week for you, hey, shout out to you, man. Enjoy it. But don't stay there. Don't stay there. It's time to move on. It's a new week. It's a new day. And you know, we're gonna come here and do what we do best. So it's Monday. We're gonna be professional. It's another day, another opportunity to be disciplined here as traders, and we're gonna get to it. Yeah, we're gonna get to it. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be great. I think the new standard at this point is 200 likes before the breakdown. So if we can get 200 likes before the breakdown, we got 400 people here. 135 likes. Once we get to 200 likes, we'll get this thing taken care of, and story time will be upon us. Good morning, Green. What's up, Green? Good morning, brother. Yeah, let's see what we got here in terms of the news. So, doesn't look like we have any news in front of us here today. It's a quiet Monday. Let's go through the rest of the week really quick while those likes start coming up. Yeah, tomorrow we have just some core durable goods. CAD's got CPI. CAD's got some heavy news here tomorrow at 8:30. So that will probably move gold around a bit. But other than that, just 10 a.m. you got consumer confidence here tomorrow, and then Wednesday we have we have Powell speaking again. We'll see what he's got to say. That's going to be around 9:30, 9:45 his meeting, and yeah. Other than that, a couple yellow folders here around NY Open, but shouldn't be anything that we need to stay away from or anything. So that's Wednesday. Thursday, let's see what we got here. Thursday, we got unemployment claims as usual, and then they are doing the final GDP price index as well, pending home sales, natural gas storage. So we're in for a fun week here. We're in for a fun week, and Friday it looks like we just got the core PCE price index. So other than that, we're pretty good to go. I think let's see, do we have 200 likes here yet? No, not yet. Yeah, we can't get started without 200 likes, man. It's superstition now. All right, let's do this. Let's go to the weekly. Take a look at the monthly. All right, cool. All right, let's do it. Hey, gang, 5 more likes. Can we get 5 more likes? There we go. All right, cool. So let's do it. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here on gold, and let's see what we got going on. So there's 200. Yeah, there you go. Yep. 400 likes. Come on. Shout out to Nico. You mean 2,000? Yeah, I'm thinking too small here, man. Too small. So, all right. Let's talk about this this monthly time frame, and we'll do a top-down analysis here on gold. So, what are we looking at here? Man, we're looking at beautiful price action, right? We've been all over gold, as many of you guys know who've been following for quite some time. We've been all over it, right? Let me just lower this just a little bit more. All right. So yeah, we've been all over this. We understood, you know, a couple months back where we were, right? We knew that we were coming up into this rejection zone. We've been talking about this area for just a couple weeks at this point now, right? This area right here, which has been a major rejection zone for gold. Each and every time gold came up here, we've rejected, right? We rejected, created support, came down. Same thing here, we've rejected, created resistance, and we moved down. Right now we've done the same thing here. We've seemed to have rejected, we have created a resistance, and now at this point we should continue down, right? We have broken the monthly lows. Hey, that's a good sign. We've broken the monthly lows here, and we should continue on down. Now again, one thing we've kept an eye on here was this area right here. This level right here has been a bit of an issue for gold. It's even been an issue on the weekly time frame, and we'll go down and talk about that in a second. But you know, this monthly time frame, it's basically formed an onion, right? We've got an onion play. This candle has now broken the lows. What do we see? We see clean traffic down at 1825. So if we can come on down to 1825 this month, that would be just amazing. It is the 26th though, so you know, I doubt that gold will do that, you know, in the month of June. But as long as we do close below this level here, to the left hand side right here, let me just get my yellow right here, this level right here. If we can close below there, then I do believe that next month's candle, which is July, will make its way down. All right, and then if we close below that range, you have more range now continuing down, more clean traffic, and that would just be insane, gang. If gold came down back into the 1700s and even down into the 1600s, what? That would just be nuts. So, But you know, we can't really anticipate that far into the future. All we can see here is that, you know, we have a couple more days here on this monthly candle. We've broken the lows. I do believe that this monthly candle is going to want to close below this level here, and that way we can continue down. We have a new range here, and then next month we can fill this range, right? This is the yellow range here is the new range that if we do close below, that we should be able to fill very, very nicely here as we move on to July. All right, so that's what we're looking at here on the monthly time frame. You know, rejections, 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 push down, push down. You know, what could we expect to see here? Most likely a nice push down. So let's go to the weekly time frame, because I want to show you guys what I mean by this little problematic area right here, right? It's been a bit of an issue for us. If we go down to the weekly time frame, we'll notice that we stretch this out here. We'll notice that price pushed up really nicely, right? We pushed up really nicely during that economical shit show in a way, right? You know, the banks were all going down and the US dollar was very unstable. This candle just opened up with no bottom wick and just blew up, right? Blew up, closed with no top wick, created support, tried to make a run, created a resistance, you know, created another support, another resistance, and really just wasn't able to go anywhere at that point. And that's when we were really kind of moving into this rejection zone here, and really just wasn't able to do anything. So what happens here is now we started pushing down, right? We started pushing down. We closed below this support level right here, which was very, very big for this weekly time frame here on gold. Now, once we closed below, we weren't able to drive, right? We closed below with this candle. This candle broke these lows, but it wasn't able to drive. Next candle created support, right? And why? Because if you look left, this is our problematic area here. Excuse me, when we were looking at the monthly time frame, this is what it looks like on the weekly time frame. So what we need to do is we need to get through there. And guess what happened on Friday's close? Well, if we take a look, we got through, right? We closed below this level. We closed below this level, and therefore if we're closing below this level, well, we should be able to move down now and fill this range down here at 1870. We have very clean traffic to the left hand side. If you notice, very, very clean. There isn't much, right? Now that we've gotten past this level, which this was the hold up right here. Now, if you look left, we have a clean, nice clean candle right here. And we also have nice clean traffic coming down into this level here. So once we approach 1870, you know, we may do something different, but now at this point, as we're closing below on the weekly time frame, that should indicate that price should be good to continue down and drive, right? Now, again, take a look at this, because if something very important here, right? This weekly candle closed bearish. It closed below this support. What's one thing you can tell, right? You see this candle came up and rejected, never broke the high, because we're still below this support level here. Next candle came up, rejected as well, never broke the high, and then we closed bearish. Just like the weekly time frame, just like any time frame, if this was a 30-minute time frame, anything below this, what is this support at, 1970, we would continue to be looking for sells, right? We'd be continue to looking for sells if this was a 30-minute time frame here, as long as we stayed below this level. And that's what we've done on the weekly time frame, gang. So yeah, we should be good to head down. We've closed below. This weekly candle hasn't really made much of a low here. I don't think the daily candle has a bottom wick either. Nope, no bottom wick here on this daily candle. So some of you guys, if you're tracking, you'll understand what's going on here, right? So let's take a look, because we had this massive level at the daily on the daily time frame, right? So if we're looking for positions today, it's really going to be based off of what's going on the daily time frame. We're going to use the weekly, we're going to use the monthly to our advantage and take the clues from that time frame, but we're going to go based off of what's going on here. So if we notice, you know, this 1940 area is huge, right? This support is a major support level. Major support level here on gold. As you can see, lots of support here, lots of rejections as well, if you notice. And we finally closed below. And once we were able to close below, look what happened. We were able to drive down. Now, where do we drive down to? Well, if you look left, you know, somewhere right in this level here. It looks like we're getting held up here. So we got to see what's going to happen. I think this, to me right now, this looks like a monthly celery play. I mean, a daily celery play. As if this daily candle, number one, it doesn't have a bottom wick yet. Number two, as long as it respects the high and then breaks the low, this should drive, right? So we don't know if we're going to get that today. You know, we're pretty bullish. We closed bullish. We got a support, but you know, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, you know, we're bearish. We're still below 1940, right? We're still below 1940 here. We are bearish based off of the higher time frames. Now, the daily may need a day or two though to create some sort of a top wick, right? So we don't know if those sells will come today. So what we're gonna do today is we did close bullish, so we are going to be bullish based off the daily time frame here, and we're going to see how we can anticipate both buys and sells here today. So let's take a look at what's going on, because gold just really pumped up here. It looks like we have somewhat of a support right here on the 4-hour, and then a resistance right here. So we're kind of coming into that area now, right? That resistance area. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, you have a resistance right here, and if you notice, neither of these candles have closed above this level yet, right? So we're starting to potentially reject here. Now, previous 1-hour candle closed bullish, right, but closed right at the support. So there's no trade there for us. So let's see, how can we take buys? How can we take sells? Let's see what we got going on. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. So 30-minute time frame, you have a resistance right here. You also have a lot of choppiness going on here. A lot of choppiness. Where's the daily high? Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at the daily high, which is right here. And let's see where that's at. So yeah, honestly, today I'm going to be just sticking to buys above 1938, 600 here. That's going to be where I'm taking my buys above. Everything else is pretty much rejection, right? Just if we were to get maybe a closure above during a session open, then maybe, just maybe, we could take advantage of this wick fill. But that will only be during times of volume. So if we can get a closure above during times of volume, we'll look to fill this wick. If it's just choppy on the way up and we're just moving up, you know, during regular times, then, you know, I may let this go and look for buys above here. But you know, this looks like a clean wick fill if we can get it during a session open, aka NY open or something like that, right? So let's see here. Let's see the 30-minute time frame. We do have a support right here. Let's take a look at the 15 as well, just to get some more. Yeah. So we got this resistance, you got this support, and 15-minute time frame is really the market structure that we're getting right now. So what I'm going to do today here, gang, is I'm going to look for sells below 1929, 690, which is going to be this 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour support. I'll look for sells below there to come back down to anticipate this daily candle, possibly rejecting the highs here and moving its way back down to create that bottom wick and potentially even close bullish. In terms of buys, you know, you have the 4-hour highs right here, so I think buys above there would be decent. They would be decent, especially if we're gonna move in that direction off of that support here today. You know, maybe we just don't create a bottom wick today. You know, sometimes that's just how it is. So we'll take our buys above here. That'll be breaking the 4-hour highs, and if we are breaking these highs in the 4-hour, well, then where could we expect price to go? Well, we could expect price to fill that wick, and that would be our target. That would be our target. And then if we just happen to close above, then guess what? There's more buys above here as well for us. So that's what I'm going to look for here today. So going to look for buys above this 1932, 937 level. Again, only if we're getting that during times of volume. If we close above there at like 715, 730, then I most likely won't take that position. But if this is towards NY open and we're breaking 4-hour highs, then yes, this wick will 95% chance this wick will get filled. So that's what I'll look to take advantage of. And then in terms of our sells here, we're going to look for sells below this 30-minute support, which is also breaking the 4-hour lows here. So if we're breaking these 4-hour lows, there's a high chance that price will now start to continue down, right? If we're closing like this on the 4-hour, then most likely what you'll see is a push down. So we'll look to take our sells below there, and yeah, that'll be the day. So based off this 30-minute time frame, you know, buys above 1933 and sells below 1929 here. So pretty simple day here today. And if you don't like these buys, then just wait for your buys above this level here at 1938. Yeah, this level right here. But I do like them because we're number one, we're bullish on the day. Number one, right? Number two, that breaks the 4-hour highs, and if we're breaking those 4-hour highs, then we're gonna most likely fill that wick. Number three, if it happens on the 1-hour time frame during a session open like NY Open, then we're gonna have a lot of volume dumping into the market, and again, we should fill that wick, and it looks pretty clean. So that's what I'm gonna be working with here today. In terms of targets, well, let's take a look at the daily time frame. If we're gonna go up, where do we target today? I mean, I could probably look to come back into retesting 1940, right? That would make sense. Retest 1940, give the daily well, that would break the daily highs here, but that's the one thing I'm concerned about here is no bottom wick and not breaking the daily highs, right? Maybe coming right up to it, but not breaking it. So yeah, but those buys are going to work out well for me, and then these sells are pretty obvious. We could take sells coming back down to this 1922 zone here, and then this will be 1940, I believe. 1940. Yeah, probably right around this zone here. So yeah, we'll see what happens here today. Now we wait for some more price action. Looks like we're closing bearish based off the 30-minute time frame. 1 hour is still open. So yeah, that's the day. Pretty simple on this lovely Monday. As always, I'm going to be staying out of the red zone here. But anything above breaking these 4-hour highs will be pretty clean for me to continue up until 1940, 1941 here. And then anything below, I would love to trade in this range here today. So that's the plan for me. That's what I'm going to be sticking to, and yeah. So gonna stay away from this range here. Not gonna touch the red zone at all here today. I'm gonna keep an eye out for this green zone here. This is gonna be the happy zone. This is gonna be the happy zone as well. This is where all your dollars are at. The big bucks. Big bucks are here. Whoa, whoa, big bucks. So yeah, that's gonna be the day for me, gang. No red zone trades. Yep. Yeah, so take a pic, mark up the charts, and that's it. 700 viewers and not even 300 likes. Oh, come on, gang. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, Sam, I think they were just locked in on the analysis. I think that's what it was. But now that that's over, if you guys can continue liking the stream, that would be great. Imagine if we can get to 500 here before NY Open. So, all right, perfect. Yeah, so in terms of these sells, by the way, gang, these are going to be, hold on, let me just erase all this. All right, yeah, so these sells here are most likely going to be range 2 sells as well. Because, you know, we are bullish based off the daily, so we got to respect that. We got to respect price action here. But if we do get some sort of range 2 sells below here, then you know, I'll be looking to take those. So range 2 sells. Perfect. All right, beautiful. Boom. That's it. That's it. That's the day. No more. We don't need to think anymore. Nothing to think about. Nothing to try and make up in your brain. These are the ranges, gang. Like these are the ranges. So that's what I'm gonna stick to here, and we'll see if we can get the closures we're looking for. Best trade of our life coming in today. I can smell it. Yep. All right, let's take a look. Let's see where we're at here, gang. It's been a good month. It's been a real good month. We're cooking, and we're just gonna continue to do what we're doing, right? So it's been a good month here. I think we had just that one break even. Yeah, just one B trade here. Everything else been pretty flawless here so far this month. So great job to all you guys that have stayed steady, stayed consistent with the playbook, and you know, not jumping on anything outside of our setups. Right, our setups are all we need, right? The markets do the thinking for us. Therefore, we don't need to be great. We don't need to be just amazing traders, right? All we have to be is disciplined traders. Disciplined traders are amazing traders, and when those traders, they stick to their plan, and that's why they succeed, right? So that's what we're going to continue to do here, day in and day out, and let's continue to drive this momentum down as we move through the month of June here. So great job, everyone. I know a lot of people have been following the plan. A lot of improvements have been made, and it's been great to see. What up, boys?
Yo, good morning.
Morning,
Good morning. Good morning, chat. What's up?
Range 2 sells. There we go. What up, what up? Let me get you guys up here.
Yo. Yep. Morning, Scott. Red FX. Z Gamer.
Z Gamer.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Been seeing
Who's
a lot.
ready for another beautiful week.
A lot of Z Gamer lately.
Hey,
Yes,
morning,
sir.
Z Gamer. Red FX, what's up?
Z
Hey,
Gamer
morning,
might
George.
be that guy.
Morning, Bradley.
Insane results. Congrats. Oh, thank you, man. It's just a product of being disciplined, right? And sticking to the game plan. That's all those results are. Remember what I said there, you know, when you have a good playbook and a good system, you no longer need to be that guy, right? You're not that guy, right? You no longer need to be this amazing trader. All you have to be is disciplined to the plan. And then people will call you an amazing trader, yes. But all you're really doing is just being disciplined to your plan, being disciplined to your system, and disciplined traders are winning traders. It's that simple. Perfect.
Hey, good morning,
analysis.
Scott. Cryptomatic, good morning. Jose, what up?
Do you use 30-minute? I used 1 hour, 30, 15 minute. I use all the time frames, but I usually execute. If we look at our stats here, most of our execution has been based off the 30-minute and 1 hour. Yep. Sometimes 15-minute. 15-minute, 5-minute are very weak confirmations in my opinion. So I like to stick with the 30-minute and the 1 hour. And at the end of the day, we're just kind of anticipating where the daily candle is going to go, right? Daily / 4 hour candle, where's it going to go? And we're executing on the 30-minute, 1 hour, sometimes 15. So yeah, June has been mainly 30-minute. Let's take a look at May. May has been, yeah, a lot of 30-minute time frame here. Yeah, so 30-minute, 1 hour, sometimes 15.
Hey, chat, and you see these results this month is because we've been professionals this month, right? We have a plan and we've been following it the whole month. We've been following and taking only our setups, which are high probability setups, with 85% win rates. So it's no surprise we have these results, right? Because we do what the professionals are willing to do. We are patient and disciplined with our setups, with our plan. So it's no surprise, right, that we're eating this month.
Time to eat.
We're following our plan. Doing what we gotta do. We're doing what the professionals do.
It's just time to eat. That's all. It's breakfast time, boys.
Yep, exactly.
Boys and girls. But yeah, pretty much all 30-minute. You know, we had some 15-minute here, but a lot of 30-minute time frame. I love the 30-minute time frame, man. Love it. So yeah, so. Just following the plan. Got a new mod. Ooh, we'll see. We'll see.
Hey, Joe Stewart, what up?
Joey Stew's in the building. John's on vacation, still catching pips. Yeah.
Of course.
Cooking them eggs. The boys are here. How was y'all's weekend? Everyone had a good weekend, Sam, John?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pretty chill.
I did
About
too.
yours?
Amazing, bro. Just great weekend, dude. Great weekend.
Love it.
I'm only $70 away from passing phase 1. Just wait on it. Hey, just wait on Crypto Madden. Just wait on it.
Let's go.
Hey, what's up, Scott?
He's here. Morning, R for 1L. Good morning, good morning. R for 1L. Good morning, Dexter. Time to eat dinner here. Oh, I'm starting a new challenge today, and this time, oh, congrats, Kate. Let us know. Keep us posted.
Oh, Kate, you got this?
All right, let's take a quick look at pound yen here as well. Let's see where we're at. Let's get rid of all Friday's drawings, and let's go to the weekly time frame. So let's take a look at the monthly here too. So, man, monthly time frame has been extremely bullish, huh? We've been very bullish. We're finally coming up to this resistance level here at 186,450. So we'll see what happens there. Weekly time frame did close weak bullish last week. Again, it's got that same resistance level up there. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily has closed bullish as well. So GJ has been just straight on a bull run. Like straight up. Like this thing has not even looked back once. So let's take a look. If we're looking for buys today, I mean, you have this 4-hour resistance here. Pretty strong resistance. Let's take a look. Stretch this out a little bit. Got a lot of support coming up here. So very choppy. 1 hour as well. 1 hour looks like there's a support down here, which price is coming into. And, you know, below there, you have another support. So it gets pretty tough to take sells here on pound yen. Plus, we are very bullish here based off the daily. So this candle could be just making a bottom wick. We've already broken the highs on the weekly. And we've already broken the highs on the daily. So this candle right now could just be coming down to make a bottom wick, right? Make a bottom wick, retesting this resistance here to break the highs and continue up. So it's pretty tough to try and take sells here based off of the higher time frames. Now, if we're going to take buys, where can we take buys from? Well, I think we just need to create a support. So I think GJ, we just need to wait on it, right? I think we need to wait and find some market structure here. It's just a straight push down on every time frame at this point. So I think we just need some sort of market structure here. 4 hour may create support on the next 4 hour candle to continue up. We'll see, right? We'll see. But as of now, let's just put a support level here and let's see where price creates that support. And if it does, and we get somewhat of an onion play, then we'll look to take price back up, moving in the direction of the daily and the weekly time frame here. So yeah, let's just wait on GJ. There's not much market structure at this point. Looks like we've just been on a tear down here, right? Last couple 4 hour candles from the opening of the daily candle have just been, you popped up real quick and then pushed all the way back down. So I think we just wait on GJ for a little bit. we'll see what happens with that, and we'll check back on that in like maybe like 2 30-minute candles. Yeah, Scott. Yep. Kate, you can do it. Looks like the cloud. Yeah, it looks like the cloud. Oh, nice. My challenge begins tomorrow. Oh, okay. Dope. Yeah, man, we got a lot of traders getting funded here. A lot of time to eat traders getting funded. A lot of freedom parties coming out of time to eat, man. A lot of traders making big moves, and I'm super pumped to see that. We really wanted to create an environment for growth, and man, that's what we've done. That's what we've done, and everyone is just feeding off of everybody. Like, I'm even feeding. You guys are motivating me, right? So now I'm actually gonna probably take my $1 million challenge here a lot sooner than anticipated. So I'm looking forward to it. But you guys are all motivating me too, right? So I just love it. As iron sharpens iron, one truly sharpens another. And what a community for growth. What a safe community to grow in, right? Where you can make those errors, make those mistakes. You know, talk about them in the groups, and whether it's here on the stream or somebody in the Discord is helping you out, it's just absolutely incredible to see each and every person kind of caring about the next guy, right? And doing it out of the goodness of their heart. So, you know, we appreciate everyone in the Time to Eat community. It's truly a village here, right? It's not just one person. It's not just me. I'm just the face of the live stream, gang. But how many of you guys are just truly taking on that leadership role in the Discord and helping other people out? It's just absolutely a team effort, man. And I'm super grateful, super pumped to have all you guys a part of the community. And I'm telling you, the best is yet to come. I'm telling you, stick around, and you'll be more successful than you ever even imagined possible, gang. We're gonna get funded. We're gonna teach traders the real way, right? This is what we're doing. That's why you see people passing phase 1, cruising through phase 2. Getting paid, getting their live account, getting payouts, right? Because we're doing it the right way here, gang. You know, we're doing it right, and that's what we're going to continue to show people. That's what we're going to continue to be the example of, and that's the way to do it, right? Just like a professional. So shout out to all you guys, man. Gang is in the building. Discipline's the hardest thing I ever had to do. Yeah, it should be hard. It should be hard, right? Because the reward is just insane, gang, insane. So it should be hard, and you know, it makes it so worth it. So discipline yourself, gang. If you fail to be disciplined up until this point, you got a new week ahead of you. You got a new fresh week. It's time to lock in. It's time to lock in, because I promise you, once you get that discipline, find that consistency there, man, your results will almost change immediately. They'll almost change immediately. But the sad part is, and I got to keep it real, right, is if you don't change, then nothing's going to change, right? You're going to continue to remain in that same rut, right? That rat race of trying to get profitable in trading. I've been there. It's not fun. It's not a fun place to be. And it's okay to go through that struggle. It's okay to go through that, but don't go through it longer than you need to. Right? Make the mistakes, make the adjustments, and move from that place, right? So you can look back and say, yo, you know, I'm no longer that trader. I mean, I needed that to learn, but I'm happy I could say that I've moved past that now, and you know, I'm here profitable, right? So yeah. But yeah, probably gonna I'll keep you guys posted on everything with the $1 million account. Oh, nice. I'm doing what Nick does. Yeah, you gotta lock in. Gotta lock in, gang. Imagine 5% on 1 mil. Hey, imagine 10%. Imagine 20%. So yeah, So I'm up right now 6%, right? So this 6% doing the same exact thing that I've done, not changing anything, becomes, well, the 6% remains 6%, but it goes from 6,000 to 60,000. So it's a bit of a jump, right? Bit of a bigger difference. And God's telling me, son, go bigger. Go bigger. And that's what I'm gonna do.
That's what you should do.
Yes, sir. If God gives me the vision, I know it's attainable. So I'm gonna move on it.
Amen. That's how I'm feeling.
That's how I'm feeling. Yeah. But yeah, shout out to all you guys getting challenges, passing challenges. It's been an amazing ride over the last couple months. So we're just getting started here. Just getting started. Oh snap! Yeah, the war room tonight. Hey, gang.
Ooh, yes.
War room tonight is gonna be. It's gonna be a good one. For those of you guys that want to join our Bible study every Monday night, you guys are more than welcome to join. You can find the link in the Discord. Here's the Discord right here, and you can find the link in here. Let me show you guys. Ooh, it's looking at the London session here. So come up to the war room, and you'll be able to find the link right here. But yeah, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, come on in, join the free Discord here, where we have a huge community, man. We've got over 2,000 people in this Discord at this point, and it is rocking. There is people, I mean, I really love you guys. I appreciate you guys because everyone helps one another, you know, and that's the environment that we wanted, right? We wanted an environment for growth. And you see it in here all the time. Everybody helping each other, everybody talking the same language, and man, it's just a beautiful thing to see. So yeah, come on in our free Discord, and welcome to the team. The fact that you guys keep focusing on funded challenges is also one of the many great reasons why this stream will be one of the biggest. Yeah, we do focus a lot on that because, you know, some streamers, for some reason, they don't like funding. I don't know why, but not over here, man. Not over here. If you're going to give me 6 figures of capital, 7 figures of capital, and you just want me to give you 20% at the end of the month, take it. Take it. Take it, because this is life-changing leverage here, gang. Like, you get yourself a $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 account, you can do some serious damage to your finances, man. Like, you can seriously get ahead in a major way. So we promote that here because we want to see lives change, and we want to see lives change for the better, and we want to see them change big, man. You know, a lot of you guys got big dreams and goals, and the opportunity is there for you. And why would I ever want to leverage my own money these days when I can get leverage from another company, right? Other people's money, right? Same thing in real estate. Why would I ever want to throw, you know, $1 million of my own money into real estate when I can just, you know, use other people's money, use the bank's money? So same thing here with trading, man. Trading is a business. When you get a business, you get good credit, you take out a loan for the business, and you use other people's money, and that's how you leverage. So yeah, we'll be focusing a lot on funding challenges and getting people funded. We already have a ton of funded traders. We had about 15 people get funded like in the last 2 weeks on this stream. So just incredible, all around, incredible job, everyone. Down 4%. I have 9 days left. Do you have any advice? Yeah, just show up to the chart every day. Don't do anything different. Don't try and force anything. At this point, your game plan might just be, let's get back to break even and, you know, get myself a free challenge, or a free retry. So that's what I would recommend. All right, let's take a look here. All right, so let's see how this 1 hour closes at the NY Open. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on this 1 hour time frame here. Yeah, I seen a question come in about this wick fill. So, you know, yes, at one point it becomes a rejection wick, of course, yep. But now what happens is when there's volume, so now that price is coming back around. When there's volume in the market, that's when wicks get filled, right? That's when resistances get broken, when wicks get filled. So if we close above here, well, we're doing something that all these candles have not been able to do. And if we're closing above here at NY open, there's a high chance that we're going to retest that high 45 pips away. So that'll be a position I'd be interested in. Right? That's a wick fill. Some of you guys have heard the terms wick fill. When do wicks get filled? During times of volume. When are times of volume? Well, NY open, right? When the New York session opens up, you have London open, you have NYSE open, right? These are times where there's a lot of volume dumping into the chart. So that's when you can expect to see, you know, somewhat of a push. My Forex phones only works with MT5. Nah, Joey, I'm pretty sure they're good with MT4. Hey, my alarm is set for the war room. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's good. I love Mondays now, man. Mondays, I remember I used to work a job. I used to hate Mondays. Used to be the worst, man. I used to wake up on Sunday morning thinking about going to work on Monday. Oh my God, it would just ruin the rest of the weekend. But now I love Mondays, man. We get to come back to the desk. We get to do what we love, and you know, now we have the war room on Monday night. So you can't ask for a better Monday than that.
Yeah, really. I feel like it sets the tone for the week.
It does.
It really does.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. How low will gold go? We don't know. How low will she go? Looking forward to getting funded. Nice. Bradley, you can do it, bro. Yes, sir, Scott. Yes, sir. Hey guys, by the way, we have I got the playbook. So I did some work this weekend, got some videos out, just getting them edited and getting some thumbnails, and then they'll be out. But we got a video on the playbook. It's a 22-minute video, so I wanted to keep it under 15, but you know, I went a little bit in depth. So it's a 22-minute video that'll probably be dropping here later on this afternoon. And then we also have some other videos coming out for the other concepts, like all the setups, the range 1, range 2 breakouts. All those videos are all done. Now we just need to get them out. So yes, sir. I know you guys have been asking, so they have. Nice. Yeah, they have been done.
And whenever people ask in the chat, someone can hit him with the link to the video.
Yeah, Mr. Nightbot. Mr. Nightbot will hit him.
True.
So all you guys will have to do moving forward is if you guys are wondering about, or let's say somebody asks about, you know, what's a range 2 breakout? All you'll do is you'll hit ! range 2 in the chat, and then boom, the link will pop up. So that way, if you guys see anybody that's looking, so that way I don't have to explain it 14 times during one session. You know, they can just go back, like the range 1, range 2, those videos, those are like 6-minute videos. So they're quick and straight to the point. Why you got no wicks on MT5? Nah, I do. You just, for some reason, you probably can't see them. Let's see if we stretch it out a bit.
I can see them.
Yeah, no, it's hard to see. You can't see the wicks. Not sure why.
Wait, that might have actually just worked. You turning up the brightness.
Yeah.
For the YouTube.
YouTube. Oh yeah, look at that. We got wicks now. Hey, here we go. We got some wicks.
I was gonna say, I can see them on the Zoom.
Oh yeah, yeah. There you go, YouTube. Hey, what up? Tandy's in the building. Good morning, Tandy.
Tandy.
Good morning, brother.
It's good to Andy.
Was that mac and cheese on your story yesterday, Green? Yeah, we'll also do a video on risk management, how we manage risk as well. So we'll have that video coming out soon. We could talk about that in a minute too as well, on how we manage risk.
What up, LeRon?
LeRon's in the building. Good morning, Nick. Can't see your wicks on MT5. Oh, well, now you can. Now you can. What hour is the war room? That's going to be at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah.
Sweet.
What's up, Nick? How you doing? Hey, King Abe Forex. What's up, brother? How you doing? Yo, Nick, please check out the trade in the Discord. All right. Under Wiz. Let's take a look. Wiz, let's take a look. Wiz gets it. Wiz gets it. He got his notes. He's on it. Where'd you post it, brother? Is that in the charts for stream? Let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at this trade here. So, oh look, Henry took a celery play. No bottom wick, no volume, but nice move. Okay, let me tell you guys. So I want you guys to understand this too about the celery play. So with the celery play, this is the only time that I would ever take a position without creating a top wick. Sometimes, gang, the celery play is not going to give you a top wick, and that's okay, because as long as it breaks those lows, it's gone. And this honestly is the ideal celery play, where you have your entry point, which is that wick right there. Once you break this wick, and then you have a wick to fill here. So this is perfect. I love the last 3 candles that led up to the celery play. But yeah, great. Yeah, stops could be kept above there. Entries at the break of the lows, and you have this wick to fill, and then support to continue down. So yeah, that's a beautiful trade right there. Beautiful. Let's take a look. A blader. This trade was mostly based on the 30-minute, 4-hour, 15. Any advice? Let's take a look. So clean traffic to the left, going up. Made an onion. Okay, 4-hour bottom wick. Took buys in the break of the previous high. It was also the flip of the 4-hour. Okay. My trading candle made a top wick, then came down to make a bottom wick. I placed the buy stops when it came back, breaking the highs. Break even on the fill of the wick, got 10 pips. Oh yeah, beautiful, man. Just perfect. Yep. Way to wait for that bottom wick and stay patient in that trade. It's nice job. 10 pips, and then you had that resistance up top. Beautiful. Yep. And then got stopped at break even, right? I guess. Or maybe took a... Yeah, no, that was nice. Nice trade, man. Let's see, that's what it looked like on the 15. Yeah. Yeah, nice. 4-hour. Yup. Yeah, good idea. Love it. Very good idea. Very good idea. What is an onion? An onion is just a trade based off of support. So let's say price comes up like this, and we're bullish on the day, and let's say price had pushed up. Let's say we're only trading the NY session, and all this happened during the Asian London, and we're looking for buys that day, and then all of a sudden, as we come to the desk, price is moving bearish, right? Let's say we broke the lows here. Price is moving bearish, and we're not going to take our sells here. We're going to wait for a support to be formed, and once that support's formed, then we'll look to take a buy, and what we call this is the onion play. So once we have that support right there, we will take our buys going up. And we got this play because for the last 2.5 years, I've been a student on Don's stream, and that's where I learned about, or that's where I got the term the onion from, right? I mean, it's really just a, uptrend support and push-ups. That's all it is. We just happen to stick with the name because we were using it with Don for two something years. So, but yeah, that's the onion. Basically, you're getting into a buy to retest that resistance and potentially, continue up into whatever ranges that are above. Yep, simple play, simple, very effective. Hey Nick, is the play Xavier? We have Xander, we have a playbook video coming. So I've already recorded it, and it's going to be dropping later on today. So there'll be a video on the playbook explaining all the plays, all the setups, and yeah, it's coming. What's your percentage on the onion play? Onion play is 85%. 85%. What was your biggest losing streak? Let's take a look. So June, we haven't really sniffed anything yet on June. Just one. Let's see here, just one. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, I thought we took 2 L's in April. Yeah, just nothing there. I think it was in February here. Yeah, February we took 3 L's in a row. So that was our biggest losing streak right there. We took those 3 L's in a row, and then really haven't had much of anything back to back. So it's been, yeah. Yep. Yeah, so just I guess 3 has been the biggest one.
Back, boys.
Oh, he's back.
My bad, had some technical difficulties.
He's back. How's the vacay going?
Going pretty good.
Yeah.
It's been nice, right by the beach. So
right by the beach.
Beautiful.
Nice. How was the ride?
It was good, honestly. It's pretty quick. It was only 3 hours.
Not bad.
Not a bad ride. Nah.
Dope.
Yeah. I'm here till Thursday, so it'll be fun.
Pretty fun. Should be a good time.
Hey.
Thank you for putting in the time to make the playbook video. I need that. Yeah. It's a 22-minute video, so I tried to keep it shorter for you guys, but I wanted to make sure we got what we needed in that. So
you guys will eat that up. You won't even notice it's an extra 6-7 minutes.
yeah. Were you active on Don's stream or a quiet learner observer in the background? I was like kind of active, but mainly just observing, doing my own thing, and I would just talk to him more so like individually after the stream or something, just send him a message and whatever I was thinking or feeling. So yeah, I wasn't too active in the chat, let's say. But yeah, I was there for 2.5 years, man, and I loved it. He in my opinion, after reading the Forex Mindset, which is this book right here, which I highly recommend you guys check out, he checked all the boxes, and I admired his discipline and his way of being just extremely selective and not deviating from his playbook. And I needed that as a trader. That's what I was missing. And he was a perfect example of that for me at the perfect time. And that truly has made all the difference. So I'm so grateful for his example in being a disciplined professional trader, man. I'm so grateful for that. So yeah, that was the best 2.5 years or 2 years, because that's what really built the foundation. After I had blown accounts and had lost a bunch of money, and I wanted to start taking it serious because I didn't want to lose any more money, and coming across him, man, that stream was the foundation. It was the foundation for my trading. And yeah, I'm super grateful. And I stick to the 1 hour and the 30-minute because that's what I've learned. That's what I've learned from the streams, and that's what I stick to. I know he's moved on to a lot more advanced concepts now, which is amazing. I'm super happy for him, and it looks like it's all working out really well for him. So, but I just go based off of what I've learned, based off the 30-minute and the 1 hour. I've also learned a lot from Raja as well. So, you know, 1 hour and 30 is really my best friends. You know what it is. Yeah. Please explain
Hey,
the
what up?
salary play. Are we calling it that now? Are we calling it the
so.
salary? That's too funny.
What up, Trade Up?
Yeah, we could explain the salary play. Yeah, so pretty much, you know, this is by far my favorite play. Let's say we're looking for buys, right? And price is pushing up, and you know, a lot of times these are gonna work best on the 30-minute time frames because that's when you have a lot of volume coming in, right? Like 8. So the NY open at 8. That the volume in that candle can really come at any point in that candle. That's what I've noticed. And a lot of times it actually won't come until the 8:30 candle. So a lot of times what we'll do is, like, let's say this is the 30-minute candle and it closes above. And then the next candle just kind of like drives down the entire time and just like kind of looks like it's going to go bearish the whole entire time. But then let's say like the last couple minutes, it ends up kind of pushing up here. So we're not going to take any buys because we're still bearish, right? So we haven't done anything. But if this candle closes above, right, and this is the 8 to 8:30 candle, well, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have buy stops, right? I'm going to have buy stops right here on the break of the highs with my stops kept below there to continue up. And then normally what's going to happen is as the next candle brings in more volume and breaks this high, you typically see a really nice move happen. So this right here has given us a 92% win rate. So we love this play. We love waiting on this play. We'll take it over anything, right? So if we have the opportunity to sit on our hands and wait for this, then you know, we're more than happy to do it. So that's a little bit about the celery play. That's a good play. And really what that is it's a 15-minute onion. It's a 30-minute celery. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour breakout pretty much every time. Let me see. Give me one sec, chat. I'm gonna go get some more water. Boys, you want any water? Y'all good?
Let me get some.
Take it over, boys. You guys can answer some.
Hey, Scott, you already know. I already know.
Yo, can we get to 500 likes before 8 a.m.? I think we can do
Nice
that.
shot, link it up.
Get some more people in here. Get some motion.
Thanks. Chad, you wait for this content coming?
Thank you for the eyes indicator. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, I like that one a lot.
Best indicator. Best one. Hey, Shad, good morning. Good morning, bro. Austin.
What up, Austin?
What's up, Austin? How we doing?
What up, Mustafa?
Morning, Mustafa. You on the deck, John? Yep. I'm on the deck.
Oh, there you go.
Yep.
How much you really on back tracing? I'm not too sure what that is. Is today a pumperoni? Oh, might be a pumper nickel. We'll see, we'll see. What up, Muhammad?
What's up, Muhammad?
What up, Daniel? Good morning, Daniel.
Hey, we vibing, we being patient, right? Following our plan. We know that when we follow our plan, we win the day, right? Good things happen when we follow the plan. So we're focusing on that. We're being patient with the plan. That's it at the moment.
Just wait on it.
Wait on it. Good morning, Rita.
Hey, you know what I'm waiting on?
Waiting on.
Did somebody say something about a bagel just now?
No, but that sounds good.
Pumpernickel?
Oh, I said something about a pumpernickel. Someone said we're gonna get a pumperoni there. So I don't know. Might be a pumpernickel.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna be in New York this week, so I'm gonna get me a nice bagel. Haven't had bread since I left New York.
Really?
Outside of pizza, I had a couple slices of pizza, but yeah, I'm excited for a
Does
bagel.
the New York bread hit different?
Oh,
yeah.
Way different.
Really?
Way different.
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Egg and cheeses in New York just be way different.
Must be the
Anywhere
water.
else.
Look at this. May have a 30-minute celery play here, gang. 1 hour closing resistance. Never broke the highs. So I understand that we are bullish based off this daily close, but you have to understand in trading how to pivot, how to quickly adjust, right? And understand where the next candles can go. And I do believe that, you know, this candle, I don't think will remain bullish here today. I don't think we're going to break the highs or anything. We're in a pretty strong rejection zone. We have no bottom wick on this candle. Yeah, I don't think this candle is going to really push up today. I may be wrong, right? It's not my job to think. It's just my job to follow price action. But I understand why this will start to reject. And yeah, maybe we can catch these sells.
We got no bottom wick on that daily candle.
That's what I'm saying. No bottom wick.
Some point's gonna want to make a bottom wick.
Yep.
Price action.
Can someone explain what is the playbook? Yeah. Playbook is a group of setups that one should always have that they trade, right? And they should be obvious trade. They should be obvious setups. You should never, when you're looking to get into a trade, you should never think, oh, you know, it kind of looks good. It looks all right. You know, I think it's going to go down, or I think it's going to go up. I mean, it could go the other way, but it looks pretty good. No, you should never think that way, right? The way you should be thinking is, where's my setup, right? If my setup's not there, I don't take a position. If my setup is there, I take a position. Yeah, you should never guess, right? You should always have a group of setups, whether it's just one. Some people just have one, some people have two. You know, we have three, kind of four, but you know, a small group of setups that you have sample size data on, and that you can say, you know, that you have proven data on that it works in the market, right? All great traders, they all have a playbook. They all have a playbook, and then anytime you break that playbook, guess what? You are doing what losers do. And you're not a loser, you're a winner. So don't break your playbook. And if you don't have a playbook, I highly, highly suggest you get one. If you need one, we have one that's dialed in right now. You're more than welcome to tune into our streams every single day and just follow along, right? That's what I did, gang. That's what I did. I followed along on someone else's stream for 2 years. And then that got me to the level I'm at today, you know, but I wasn't afraid to, you know, put my ego down and follow, right? Some of you guys you don't want to follow. You want to do everything yourself. And I got news for you. That's ego right there. And, you know, that's a huge thing in trading. You know, don't think you're the first person, you know, that's ever had an ego in trading, right? It's a common theme of losers. So don't be a loser, man. Be a winner. And, you know, find people who are in trading or in life where you want to be and follow them, man. It's that simple.
Yeah, and these playbook setups, you know, you should be able to eye them out. Like when you see it, you should know that that's your setup. That's the playbook. So that's the setup of my playbook, right? You should be able to see the difference between your playbook setup and any other pattern ever in the charts, right? You should be able to spot it out and know that this is your setup. I loved what Nick posted yesterday about FOMO. With a playbook, like you should have zero FOMO. When you have a playbook, there's no reason to have FOMO, right? Because you're looking for this specific something. And this setup, like I said, you should know it, right? You should eye it out and you should know that this is your setup. So shouldn't be scared of missing anything else, because if it's not your setup, it's not your setup.
Yep. You should know right away. You should say that's me right there. All right, cool. So we did get a candle to close. Let's see how this candle opens up. It is the NY open here, so let's see how this candle is going to open up. But if we get a top wick, I may be interested on sell stops here on the break of the lows. But we're going to need a top wick because we have volume coming in, and this should start to drive. All right, if we could break the high now, I may have a sell stop here on the break of the lows. Stops will be kept, you know, somewhere up here. So we will see, and this trade would be heavily based off of volume coming into the market. It'll be based off of we're still closing below 1940. It'll also be based off of the daily candle not having a bottom wick as well. So anticipating for price to move down. So let's see what happens here. All right, looks like we broke that high again. So I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of the lows here. Yeah, sell stops on the break of the lows. Stops are gonna be kept wherever this current high is here. And we have 8 a.m. We got volume coming in. I could totally see why price would continue down here today during the NY open. And yeah, gonna have a sell stop. Oops. So yeah, chat, sell stop on the break of the lows. Oh shit. And then yeah, I think I've been activated here. So break even's gonna be down here at this support, and we'll see if we can get down there. Yep. So been activated. And this should be a really good trade. Yeah, full TP is going to be down here.
Got 8 a.m.
Yeah, NY open here, so it should be good. Should be good. We just got to re-break those lows. If we re-break the lows, we should come down. So I'm going to have my break even right around this support level here. Doop, doop, doop. NASDAQ, not yet. What is this stop loss? Let me just check something here.
The previous candle was only like 20 pips on the 1 hour, less.
Why am I seeing oh, I don't know what happened here, gang. I must have had this thing set on percentage. I opened up a 34 lot here. Oh, what happened there? Oh. What happened there, gang? Oh, I think I was showing somebody my settings here and left it open like that. Ah, man. Wow.
Wow.
All right, well,
I
that's a
didn't even know how
bummer.
to set it either.
So, yeah. Stopped out on that one. What just happened? Not too sure why I had a 34 lot open there. All right, let's mark that one up. First L here. Oh man, I can't believe I had a 34 lot open there, gang. Okay, so that was 8 a.m. here. So 8 a.m. 6:26, right? Yeah, 6:26, 23. And that was gold sell. That was onion. Break of current low. Well, 1 hour. Oh wow, yeah, we definitely had full risk on that one. Cause that was what? That was only like a 10 pip stop. Wow. Hold on. All right, well, the first L of April has arrived. Or not April, June.
It's June.
June. The first L of June has arrived, and it was a quick one there. Yeah, and I messed up on my risk there as well. Should have only lost 1%. Lost almost 3% there, or over 3%, right? Custom period. Today. Yeah, wow, almost 4% there. Major error by me. Major error. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What did you lose? Yeah, about 4K. You might have blown the account. No. One loss for the month, and it slipped you at stop loss. Yeah, it did. I think we would have got stopped anyway though. You need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor today. Yeah, all good. No worries, gang. On to the next. What could we have done better there? Well, maybe we could have waited for, a closure below. But 8 a.m., high volume time, breaking the lows. Definitely expected price to continue down. You almost had like a celery play here. And price broke the lows, and yeah, worth the shot. You were up 5K for June. Yeah, this is on my new account though. That account got started on the 12th. So for June overall, we were up 17%, but now we can we're up 17.3, but now we could subtract that by 4, right? So 16, 15, 14, 13.3% now. It was an error with magic keys. No, you know what it was, gang? I was helping somebody with magic keys. So I was showing them how to program the percentage, and I forgot to switch it back. It looks like it was at 4%. Oh, 3%. How did we lose 3.7 then? Yeah, I had it on percentage based, but that's okay. No worries. How much do you risk in a trade? I usually risk 10 lots, so 10 lots per trade, and yeah, that's about it. I think we would have gotten. Yeah, that should have been only a 1% loss there, man. Do you trade Raja's concepts? Yeah, very similar. Very similar. Why did I take it? Because we had this resistance being formed, these rejections here. We had the NY open. This 1 hour closed bearish, and we broke the lows, and then we re-broke the lows again. So, you know, normally during that time, if you start breaking the lows, you'll see a push down to the support. So that's what we were targeting, and yeah, didn't work out. You want to go check your, see the max balance stop out for the day? What's that mean? Yeah, max daily drawdown for my account is 5%. So we only lost 4%. On to the next.
The next trade.
Let's see. Let's see. How many times have we taken a trade here at 8 a.m.? So that was yeah, that was the first of the month at 8 a.m. Let's see. Yeah, we typically wait till after NY open. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see how this candle closes up, and you know, we may have an opportunity here today. So it's still very, very early in the session, gang. So lots of time left. The first stops have been hit on the signals chat in almost 2 months. Insane. Insane. I'm still in. Oh, nice. Yeah. So Donald, yeah, exactly. That's the reason why I use fixed lots, because at that point, see how I was risking 3%? Well, I lost it, you know. If I would have been using a fixed lot, I would have just lost 1% there. But yeah, that was my fault. I should have checked everything before I had entered that position. Because look at this. Look at my 34 lot. When do you guys ever see me open up a 34 lot? Right?
It's Uncle Scalp lot.
Hey, yeah, that's Uncle Scalp lot right there. Typically, it's been all 10 lots. So yeah. So we'll see what happens here. See what gold wants to do now. Who's holding? Oh. I didn't get stopped out. Okay, cool. Let us know. Sock check. Yeah, socks are good. I'm sorry you took a bigger loss than expected. Nah, no worries. Trust me, gang. I won't lose sleep over that. We're all good. Everything good, man. Some advice if we're still holding. Yeah. If you're still holding, I mean, where's your stops, right? Where did you have them originally? Stick with those original stops. If they're above this high, keep them there. Keep them there. And we move on. Are you in a trade? Nope. Damn, that's a lot of money for one mistake. That's a year's salary. Oh, Nolan. Did you check your socks? Yes, I did. No Bruce Buffer. Yeah, there you go. That's probably why. That must be what happened here. We should go for a buy? Absolutely not. Yes, I broke the rule. You see that? This was the red zone here today, right? So there you go, gang. Here's what happens when you trade the red zone, right? Very unpredictable. So, yep, probably should have just waited for that close outside of the range. But, you know, as we were expecting NY volume coming in, it wasn't a bad idea. I've taken this trade many times before, and probability just didn't play out. And this candle still may continue down off the 1 hour time frame and respect these highs here. So it still may be a really good position. It just, you know, tapped us out. Nick's got wicks. Yep. I never got triggered. Oh, nice. Returned the red and green zones. Yep. No more trades after no. No, I'll still take another trade. Yeah, I'm open. If there's another opportunity here for us, then yeah, definitely. Yeah, yep. Bro, if I was on your place, I'd go crazy. Well, hey, gang, that's what I say. You know, one loss will never break you, right? And one win will never make you, right? It's just another trade. That's all it is. It's just now we move on to the next trade. So just as if that was a winning trade, we move on to the next trade. Same thing in a losing trade. You just move on to the next one. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. Can you tell us your name, bro? Yes, Nick. Um, 1 minute going wild. Oh boy, some of you guys are some of y'all are on the 1 minute trying to revenge this thing.
Somebody's quaking.
Quaking.
1 minute.
Yeah, nah, nothing now for me. Nothing unless now I need to wait for sells below here or buys above. You know, can't mess around now.
It hasn't really went anywhere though. 1 minute shouldn't be like it shouldn't be doing nothing.
Yeah.
1 minute should be quaking.
Typically at 8 a.m. if we break lows here, you're gonna see a push down. But you know, again, I think you may still see that if these highs get respected. But yeah.
I think 8:20 we'll find out.
Yeah, the main thing there on that trade for me, I don't care about the loss. I was just like, oh wow, 35 lot? What?
Yeah, that was crazy.
I'm still holding nice. Yeah, I think if you got your stops above 1932, like 600 here, you should be fine. But you know, if we break that high, don't keep moving your stops, right? If that's your stop, leave it there and let it go. Will you take a trade if you have a 5%? Yeah, I'll still take a trade. Yeah, I still got 1%. So I know I'm not going to blow the account. You just taught me a lesson that you have to stay composed even through a mistake or a loss. Yeah. There's nothing you can do about it, gang. Literally. Ridwan, come on, man. Ridwan Reynolds, come on, bro. What you doing, man? What you doing, bro? You good over there? Is there the same amount of volatility during other session opens? Yeah. You know, you got the London session open, you got the Asian session open, New York session. You know, you got the NYSE open as well. So yeah, there's usually a lot of volume. Mod squad on it. Come on, man. Don't be acting weird. %13 for the month is still nuts.
Yeah,
One loss is something you brush off easy. Yeah. C4
It's
exactly.
not one trade. It's not just one trade, Chad. You know, series of trades that matters the most. So
Yeah. Yep.
get too caught up.
Yeah. All that really matters is at the end of the month or at the end of the week. That's what really matters.
All we can do now is just focus on the next best trade. That's it.
Yeah, when you were telling me the previous candle's only 17 pips, I'm like, no way. Like I thought that I seen it because I looked at my risk and it was like 3.5, and I'm like, no way. Like,
Wow,
hold on a second. And that's when I looked down at the lot and I'm like, yo. What session is there high volatility? Usually London and New York. Let's get some likes. Hey, can we get 500 likes here? We got 6 to go. You make me feel so much better if we get 500 likes. Yeah, here it goes. So gang, you see that I'm not emotional, you know, I'm not discouraged. I'm not contemplating my entire life existence, right? I'm not wondering if trading's still for me. See how I'm just cool, calm, and composed? That's how you guys should be when taking a loss or anything, right? Just one trade is just one trade, gang. Always keep that in mind. Oh damn. You guys really want to make me happy. We got almost 100 likes in 5 seconds. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Hey, we got 1,000 people here. Shout out to you guys for pulling up here today. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot on the stream. Welcome. We took our first loss here of June here today. So a nice 10 pip loss here, and we will move on. But man, what was that? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 win streak has come to an end, and now we begin a new one. Last L we took was the last trade of May. So it's been a while since we've seen red, but there it is, 10 pips. 10 pips. And now we begin a new run, boys.
Oh, new win streak.
Every good thing must come to an end at some point.
Yo, Sam, what's your plan for next week? Are you flying in or driving in?
I don't know if I'm coming.
Damn.
I already said that.
Come on, I know Sam. That's a troop, man. You can't expect Sam to.
Yeah, it is a pretty decent rod.
Damn.
Cheap rod.
If he flew, you might be able to get a cheap, quick flight, but then I don't know.
The cheapest one is like a round trip, so I'd have to like stay somewhere till like Sunday.
Yeah, you could always stay with us if you need a place to stay.
Yeah.
We'll see. But I don't think so.
Yeah. Don't stress it. We'll FaceTime you.
Okay. That'd be dope.
Here we go, 5K likes. Oh, imagine that, 5K. Hey, now we're 9 away from 600 here. So let's see if we get likes to 600. Hey, by the way, gang, so we decided to extend the signals promotion. So you guys are now, so not only did we extend it, so we extended it through the end of the month, but we also, for what we're gonna do, because we wanted to do something really nice for the signals chat, right? There's a lot of new people in the signals group. Signals chat has been eating. I think, like I said, that was the first loss they took in over 2 months. And we decided, what could we do? What could we do to make it a little bit better, or do something for the signals chat? And you know what? We're just like, let's just leave the room open, the promotion open. So the promotion is now running. So, and here's the new promotion: anyone who purchases any packages of signals, you get 2 months free, no matter what package you purchase. And those who are already in, who purchased over like the last 30-35 days, you have an extra month, but now you're getting an extended month as well. So everyone's getting 2 extra months now. So if you got in and you started your package during the 1 month trial, add a month to that because you got 2 months now. So signals chat, eating.
Eat it.
Yes, sir. We for the people. The signals are only New York session? Nah, they're sometimes Asian and London as well. Sometimes before the stream, sometimes after the stream. So they could really come in anytime that we get like a, setup. Sometimes a loss isn't a loss. Oh yeah, no, it's never a loss. Always a lesson. Considering daily drawdown, how do you manage risk for the next trade? I'll just go 1% or less than 1%. First L with you, let's go. Hey, yeah, shout out to everyone who took their first L with us. If you've been here all June, you have not taken 1 L with us yet, so thanks for coming in and taking an L with us.
The way you move on from a loss strat is by focusing on the next trade, the next best trade that we can take. That's how you move on from a loss, and you just block it off, right? Just take it out. Forget about it.
Just take it out. Just forget about it. You only take one trade on the day? No, I'll take anywhere from like 1 to 4 trades a day. If 4 trades call my name, then I'll take them. Yeah, so we wouldn't even have hit break even here anyway. So we still never broke the highs. But we have the 8:30 candle closing up here in about 5 minutes. Wow, I've been watching the stream for like 3 or 4 weeks and I've only taken 2 losses. If that doesn't say something, I don't know, man. Stick around, guys. Hey, George, congrats, bro. Congrats. Get rid of them unnecessary losses there. My guy John looks like a Greek god up in like the sky right now.
Oh shit. This wind is crazy. All my hair everywhere.
Yo.
It really does.
Dude, you would think it's like a green screen behind you.
Yeah.
Yo, man.
That's too funny.
It's beautiful out here. Sun's starting to come out.
Yeah, there you go. So now you're getting a nice little push here. So yeah, you see it worked out anyway, but just not in a timely fashion. Love the stream. I'm still in. I put my stop loss above previous. Yeah, honestly, if I had my normal 10 lot up, I would have adjusted that, but I couldn't do that with this random 34 lots that were opened up. It's a wind machine. Dude looking like Hercules right now. Hercules. Yeah, I probably would have went break even. I probably would have closed some partials there as well. And then just let this thing ride. But the idea was there. The idea worked out. It's just the whole nonsense with that lot size kind of screwed me up. Could we also say we traded it a little too early in the candle open? Yeah, but you notice how we made a high and then we re-broke the high? And then that's when I set the sell stops. So usually after we re-break that high and then come down to break the low, it's usually gonna work out at that point. But you know, this candle did that quite a few times, right? It broke the low, then broke the high, then broke the high again, then broke the low again, then came all the way back up. And yeah, so this is a bit of a wicky candle. But if we get a closure below here, then I may be interested in possibly taking another sell. We'll see. Yeah, some of you guys held on to that good stuff. Personally, I would have moved that stop if I had my 10 lot open, but I didn't. So yeah, I definitely would have had previous candle stops there. But yeah, 1 hour onion, right? That's what we had here, 1 hour onion, and worked out well. So that's all that was. It's not like it wasn't a play out of the playbook. It's not like we did anything different there. Maybe, just maybe, we could have stayed out that range. But like I said, if you have NY open, there's volume there, and you know, clearly it did what we expected it to do. Just you know, lot size was way too big there, and I couldn't keep it above here. That would have ruined me. You're so good that God made you take a loss through an era. Yeah, there you go. Stop me from becoming God. Yep. Anyway, again, no, it's not even about this range right here. It's not even about the range. It's really just about, you know, the lot size I opened, because stops should have been above, you know, this previous candle. But I didn't realize that it opened up 34 lots. So as I was moving my stop loss, I was like, oh yeah, I can't do that. So yeah, I had to leave those current candle highs, and that was it. Because it really, in reality, like I said, this is a 1 hour onion. This is straight out of our playbook to retest those lows. Never broke the highs either, so yeah.
Yeah, that did end up playing out.
Yeah. Got 7 pips, nice.
Still in
So
the
what?
range,
How
though,
many?
so
How
we-
you? Wow, like yeah, wow, because that would have been like a 6K loss if that would have hit stops for you.
Yeah.
Your 30 lots. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
can't-
yeah.
You just have to close. That's so crazy.
That would have been 16 pips, so it really should have been like 1.6, but that would have been, yeah, probably like 6%. I like onion rings.
Yeah. Damn.
How much percent are you down for the day? For the day, 3.9, I think it was. Yeah, 3.9. Almost 4. So my next trade, I would only be able to risk 1% max. Maximum. But yeah, here comes 8:30 now, so.
That was a weird candle too. Last the 30-minute candle or the current 1 hour. That was a weird.
Yeah.
Hopefully, anyone that was stayed in got out safe. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. I
Yeah.
will say I had previous 1 hour stops.
Yeah, that was smart.
Yeah, I
Same.
did previous 30,
Yeah, me too. Previous 1 hour.
Yep,
but I
smart.
knew like that was a high risk move, and I wanted to get out. I wasn't trying to hold that.
Yeah.
Max leverage. What happens to your funded account if you pass max daily drawdown? They take it away. But we're not going to pass max daily drawdown.
Like it could still flip and come down, but like we said earlier, it's in the red range.
Right.
In the red range.
The red range, we see what happens, gang? Even me, if I don't go by the rule and I trade in the red range, look what happened. I shouldn't have taken a loss, but I did. You know why? Because I broke my rule. So I'm glad that I didn't take a win there, because if I would have, then maybe I would have traded in the red range again. But because I took a nice little loss, nice healthy loss, now I know, hey, Nick, don't ever trade in the red range, bro. You're not that guy. You're not that guy.
Yeah, no one's perfect. This is why we have to remind ourselves, daily. Repetition to our minds.
Yep.
Be disciplined, patient with our plan. Yeah.
Which company is best for scalping? Any one of them is fine. Yeah, I don't think anyone's better than the other for scalping. Boom. Yeah. Let's see. What's Nick's name on Discord? I think it's Time to Eat, right?
Yours is, I don't think so. No,
Time to
your
Eat.
name on Discord is just Nick Stew.
Oh yeah, Nick Stew. Yep, Nick
Yeah,
Stew.
I had to make
Discord.
sure to say that because there's a scammer I saw that has the name.
Hey
It's
yo,
just
chat.
Time
A
to Eat.
lot of scammers in the chat. Do not give any money to anyone. And gang, listen. By the way, if you're in my Discord, right? Come to my Discord and try and sell services to people in my Discord, you're getting tossed literally right away. Because people are coming to the Discord, right? And there's people in there that think that they can take advantage of the people, right? And charge for I don't know what you guys are charging for, but in my opinion, that's just as bad as scamming. So, if someone teaches you how to fish, don't fish in their pond. Go find your own pond. Go create your own community. But don't try and take advantage of our people, right? It doesn't matter who you are. And all you guys in there, just be wise enough not to, spend money and pay for things that you have no idea who that person is, right? Daly's got no bottom wick. Yep. Check your socks, check your lot size, check your Bruce buffer. Yo, let me make sure we're good.
That's funny.
Fixed lots here, because we're not gonna have that again. Fixed lots 10. Alright, yeah, we're good. Yeah, what do we have? Hey, we would have had a 34 lot open on that. So I'm glad I didn't win $3,000 there for breaking my rules. I'm glad I got punished. It's good punishment.
Yeah. Oh.
When are you gonna upgrade your account? I'm thinking about doing it maybe this week or next week. Probably maybe to start July. We'll see. We're still in the red zone. Yep. Which prop firm are you planning to do the million with? I might start working with the funded trader. So right now I'm with my Forex funds, but I may start working with the funded trader. So, where can I get the funded account from? Any one of their websites. Lost on the lingo.
It'll come quick.
How you gonna get that $1 million account? How am I gonna get it? So my original plan was to do 600K with my Forex funds and 400K with FTMO and combine them. But I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use, and I would have used a copy trader, but it looks like the funded trader is making some moves here on allowing people to combine, scale up and combine a million into one account. So if that's the case, then yeah, I'm gonna do it with the funded trader. Yes, sir. Yep. Give me 1 sec, right, guys?
$930 salary. Definitely.
That'd be beautiful.
That'd be awesome. I wouldn't be surprised if we got that.
Look at John, he's flying. Did I know?
It's windy as hell over here, yo.
Yeah, it looks crazy though. It looks like if you were like at a movie scene, it's like the camera angles you like up on the front of the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm right by the water, the ocean, so it makes sense.
Catching vibes, I ain't catching pips.
Hell yeah.
Dude,
Vibes.
someone completely backed into my car yesterday while I was parked in front of my house.
No way.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell this guy was trying to do.
Damn, bro.
While you were at your house, like in your driveway?
I was
Like
inside
on the road?
I was inside my house, and I didn't even notice until like hours later. I didn't leave the house yesterday. I had weather over here. And I'm watching like a bit. Sam, I'll send you the video.
Wait,
Did you get,
wait,
like-
yeah, because you have a Tesla, right? So it doesn't
Yeah, so
record
it records the whole thing.
Yo, that's actually...
I had
Wait,
the
so was it
license
like a
plate
hit and
and
run, or like?
Yeah, it was a hit and run.
Wait, you?
Damn.
Some guy hit my car yesterday. I live on a one way, so he reversed onto my block and literally smashed into my car.
What?
Drives away and then goes down another one way.
Oh, damn.
People, bro.
There's definitely a
Alright.
delivery.
Doesn't the Tesla take pictures of that and everything?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what
it
I'm
Oh,
saying.
nice.
It recorded the whole thing.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Come
Thank
on.
God you got that.
Come on, bro. You hit a
I'm so
Tesla.
happy I got that. Yeah, who hits a Tesla and drives away?
Right?
Don't you
Like,
know,
bro.
this thing has fucking 360 cameras.
Where it's like, bro, you expect to get away with this? Like,
That's
he's gonna
hilarious.
take a flight somewhere.
Everyone on YouTube keeps saying that spreads and slippage execution is
Okay.
bad. What's your review? No, I mean, I haven't really experienced much of that. I think a lot of those people probably trade news, so we really tend to stay away from news. Now, right before news comes in, yes, the spreads are crazy, but I won't take positions during that time. I'll just wait for the spreads to calm down, and then I'll take my positions after. Yeah, unless you're trading news, you shouldn't really deal with much of that.
Don't tell me it's this dude in the van that's like going so slow, bro.
It's a road. It's like a Nissan SUV.
And he just smashed into your whip.
Just smashes into it. I mean, it almost looks intentional.
Oh my goodness, no way he actually hits it.
Don't think everyone is privileged to know the ins and outs of a Tesla, and that they have the capability. Yeah, man, they're smart cars. They don't call them smart cars for a reason. The podcast with the Funded Trader CEO is very insightful. Yeah, I like listening to that kid. He's good. Oh my God, 900K and blew it? Damn, son.
Just look at it.
Just look at it. Just look at it. Damn, 900K and blew it? Oh man.
Oh man, not again.
Not again.
Oh man. What's up, Scott?
Scotty boy.
We need a
look
salary today.
We need a salary.
Need a
Just wait
9
on it.
position.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Just wait on it.
Hey chat, we're waiting for the best trade. That's it.
Yep. So this one ended up working out. Would have tapped into our white line. That's where I would have secured profits. But just decided to move up first. Yeah, 10 pip loss there. Yep. Blue $3 million account. Ooh. I'm so mad. I'm so grateful I managed to get out of BE. God is good. Can you explain what spreads are? Yeah, spreads are just like the broker basically puts a spread so that way they can make some money. So if the spread is like, let's say 1 pip, then you know, once you first enter the trade, you'll basically be 1 pip in drawdown.
I love the live chat.
The live chat. JT Wisdom, you'll like it here. Everyone's cool. We're a big family. Hey, Rapid Max in the building. Oh, I like that. An average trader takes trades and feels satisfied. A good trader takes trades and feels nothing. Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Write it down, chat.
Write it down. Cockroaches. All right, let's see what happens here with gold. 4-hour candle is starting to push up. 1 hour is trying to get above this resistance level here. 30-minute as well, creating some sort of support, and yeah, see what happens. I was so composed throughout that trade. Nice red FX. Yeah, you gotta stay composed, man. Gotta stay composed. See the daily.
Chat. You can all develop that skill, you know, while being in the trade. You know, when you're in the trade, that's time to work on being composed, being calm and relaxed, developing that skill.
Yup. Let's take a look at pound yen as well. Let's see what's going on here. So yeah, we're trying to support trying to create a support here on GJ, right? We're very bullish here on pound yen. Let's see what happens here. Daily is either going to create this resistance today, and if the daily can close below this level right here, then you should have no problem seeing pound yen continue down tomorrow. But Right now we do have a very strong support down here, so don't really have much market structure. We just kind of got to push down, right? 4 hours been driving, so we're just chilling out on pound yen for now. Let's take a look at US 30 as well. US 30. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So weekly closed bearish last week, huh? So we did close bearish last week. Looks pretty good to continue down. The daily time frame is closed bearish as well. Looks like we still got some more room, right, for the daily to come down. So daily candle might be trying to target, you know, these levels down here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour as well. 4 hours in a bit of a range here. Let's take a look at this. Looks like we did close below, but we got another support right here. So yeah, it's a bit choppy on US 30 here. Bit choppy. A lot of supports to the left hand side, a lot of resistances as well as you make your way up. So for me on US 30, I'm gonna just look to take potential buys above 33850, and then, you know, sells probably below this support level here. Yeah, just wait on it. Give it time. Let this 4 hour candle close and we'll see where we're at. But yeah, 4 hour may break the highs here on gold. Oh, nice. 2% from 2 pips from stops, huh? Nice. Would you look at that? Love from Iran. Hey, Mohammed. Will you be trading the $1 million account live? Yeah, of course. Of course. Yep. Of course. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here in this range. John, what's the deal? What are you at the pool?
I'm on the deck pretty much.
Man's on the deck. Man's didn't bring a hat.
I'm at the beach.
I'm at the beach. You see that? That's your Instagram guru right there, trading at the beach, gang.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna post it.
That's your Instagram guru.
I'm actually trading at the beach, right? And not just posting my trading charts and then the beach.
Yeah, some guys think when's the Bible study? Oh, that's gonna be tonight at 7:45 p.m. gang. So come on in. Yeah, John's living the laptop lifestyle right now. Yep.
Right, but I'm doing the same thing if I was off vacation, right? Nothing's gonna change, right? So, chilling, trading on the beach.
Yeah, sir. What a life. Thoughts on the 1 million Surge Trader funded account? The one thing I don't like about it is that the leverage isn't there. Yeah, it's like 1 to 20 leverage, which isn't that good.
What, that means you can maximum open 20 lots, right?
That I'm not sure like how many lots, but most brokers are 1 to 100 and they're 1 to 20. So
I don't know, like the math off the top of my head. I'm pretty sure that means the maximum lot size you could open is 20. The 1 million account though, come on, bro. That's why homies want the 1 to 100.
Yeah.
For the 100 lots.
Oh yeah, 100 lots. 100 lots coming soon. 10 lots to 100 lots, all being documented here, gang.
100 lots.
What's the biggest trade you'd have done so far? It was last year. It was a $10,000 trade. It was overnight. I held it. Yeah, it was the biggest trade yet. It was like 9,800. 1 to 200 is much better. Yep. Haven't heard that in a while. Can you look at NAS 100? Yeah, let's take a look. NAS 100. Let's take a look at NAS 100. So let's take a look at the weekly. Since we just opened up on the weekly candle, looks like, oh, weekly did close bearish over here. So you got a bearish close. You've been pushing up pretty heavy here on the weekly time frame. Let's take a look at the daily as well. Daily did close bearish, but we never closed right below that support there, right? Because you got a support there. You have a resistance here, and the daily candle or the daily time frame just looks like a barcode right now, right? It's just printing candles, not really able to pick a direction. We did close bearish though, so let's see. On the 4-hour time frame, we do have a support level right here that we would really need to break below. And then once you do break below that level, you do have clean traffic coming down, which is pretty nice here. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, 170 point range. And then in terms of buys, I mean, you did close bearish, right? So it's going to be tough to take buys. I would say range 2 buys above this level right here for price to continue up. You are breaking the daily highs at that point, and I think, you know, price should be able to push up. But wait for the range 2. Don't just take the buys right off the break. Wait for that second range to form, and then worst case, you take your buys above this level here, because buys really aren't the best, right? You're very, very bearish, so you don't want to get caught up in taking buys and, you know, get stopped out. So that's what I would look for here on NAS 100. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Don't trade the red range. What's your IG? It's right here. It's in the bottom right corner, IG. Is he a student of Raja and Donnie Vo? Yes, I am. Oh, he is a student. Okay, yeah. One unlimited, yeah. Yeah, if a broker is offering you 1 to unlimited, just run. Run away as fast as you can.
I remember when I was like brand new, it was like very common to find 1 to 500, and I've seen a couple 1 to 1,000.
Yeah, remember that?
I'm pretty sure like you still get 1 to 500 with most live accounts.
Yeah, I think you could still get 1 to 500. Yeah.
1 to 1,000 though. Sheesh.
Yeah, that's back in like 2020, 2019. You were able to take 1 to 1,000. I believe KOT had 1 to 1,000 for a while.
Yeah, well, I remember seeing it on Traders Domain.
Yeah, they had it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Osprey gives you 1 to 500. They're still around too. I haven't heard that one in a long time.
Yeah, yeah. I never used them, but I heard they were pretty decent.
I've never used them either, but yeah. I mean, if they're still around, then yeah, they must be.
Can you get the heartbeat sound, please? Maybe we can get it, Sam.
Let me see if I can't find a good one.
Traders Domain, yikes. Yikes.
Alright, do you guys hear these birds by me?
Nope.
No.
Alright, good.
Give them some French fries. Black Bull Markets, they do 500 to 1. Icy Markets also, nice. Yeah, I've moved away from brokers at this point. They're just offering way too much money for skilled traders at these prop firms. So I took all my money out of the brokers. I had money in KLT Forex and Dominion Markets and just took it all out. John got the, oh yeah, I hear the birds now.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna get some bagels. I'm being in New York this week, so I'm gonna get some bagels, baby, some bagels. It's been a while.
flying in Thursday, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah, chat. So Friday this week, Sam is gonna run the stream. So Sam's gonna be running the stream, and John, and obviously John and Uncle Scalp will be there too. But yeah, they're gonna run the stream. I'll pop in a little bit, but I'm gonna be a little bit busy that day. I'll be in New York, so I'll pop on and stuff and say what's up. But these guys are gonna be running the stream that day, so it's gonna be a good stream.
gonna be a vibe.
That's Friday.
Check that heartbeat. I sent you it.
Me?
See if
Oh, you
like
did?
that one. Yeah, see if you like that one.
Let's see. Let's see.
I want to find like a very intense, like dramatic one.
That was some of you guys after I got stopped out. Yo, I'm still holding, man. What should I do? W. When's the 12-hour stream coming? 24-hour, not 12. We're gonna do a 24-hour stream once we hit 10K subs. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel though, subscribe to the channel, man, and come join our crew, man. Come hang out with us every day. We do this Monday through Friday. We start pre-New York at 6:45 a.m. Eastern, and we usually trade till like 10:30, 11.
Yeah, pretty much 10:30, 11.
Yeah.
Chat, pull up. Be consistent, you know? If you're consistent with yourself and you allow yourself to learn and grow and have a process, you're gonna learn a lot. I mean, you can learn a lot by showing up just for a week. You know, talk about a month or even 3 months, right? You're gonna learn a lot by hopping up to the stream.
Yeah, even the birds know. Even the birds want to come pull up on the stream. You hear them?
Freaking birds.
They're like, yo, John, move your head. I can't see.
Making me talk hella loud.
You'll hit 10K after you drop and release the videos. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, we got all content videos coming soon. The playbook video's done. The range 1, range 2 video's done. The managing risk video's done. So we got a few videos that are all set. I'm also going to be working on a beginner's course, which I started about 2 months ago, but I didn't end up liking the way that the sound was. So I got a new microphone and everything, and yeah, I'm gonna redo those videos. But pretty much a whole beginner course. They're all like 5 or 6 minute videos, and you'll be able to breeze through them really quickly. They're specific. They're straight to the point. The playbook video is about a 22-minute video, but that kind of dives into all of our setups and everything. So, but the rest of them are like 6-minute videos, quick and to the point.
Did you do it all in one take?
Yeah, I just did them all in one shot. I didn't like record them and then re-record them. I just popped it in one shot.
Bang. Yeah.
You like to watch them.
No.
Yeah, you hype?
That's my heart rate indicator.
See, I think that's like, I feel like that's like good though, because I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's just nothing different from what you would just show up on someone's stream, you know?
Yeah, pretty much.
Second nature.
Yup.
Low state.
We should get a heart rate indicator. That'd be pretty cool. Start putting it up, especially when I start trading my bigger account, because the 100K stuff, I'm used to that now. Those numbers I'm very used to, but as we increase those numbers, oh man, it's gonna be fun. But at the end of the day, the increase in numbers is not an increase in percentage, right? So I like to look at things from a percentage aspect when I'm trading, not really a numbers or a money or a dollar amount, right? Just a simple percentage. 1.1K, let's go. Hey, yo, 1.1 in the house today. Appreciate you guys coming by. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like, man. Sub to the channel.
Chat.
Sub.
Nick, you said 10K subs for a 24-hour stream?
Yeah, we'll do 10K. We'll run
That'd
it.
be fun.
10K subs. 10K subs, and we will drop a 24-hour stream. So we'll start in the New York session. We'll trade, wait, no, we should, yeah, how does that work? What about after New York? I say we trade in the Asian session. We'll start the stream, and then we'll go through the Asian, we'll go through the London, we'll go through the New York.
Oh.
How does that sound, chat? 24 hours of trading with the Time to Eat community. Yeah, you
Sounds
see?
pretty good to me.
So, you know.
That sounds like lots of fun.
Yeah.
Ooh, maybe that's when we'll get that Jeopardy game.
Oh,
going or
yes. Yeah, we got some
Oh.
Jeopardy coming for you guys, too.
Alright, so we'll have
Yeah.
to, you know, do something during the session, between the sessions.
something. Yeah, I told Nick. Should I spill the sauce? Should I spill the sauce?
Spill it. Spill it.
Yeah, I was like, we should. So you know how Jeopardy works and that. I was like, we should just do one. Like, first column, price action. Next column, setups. Next column, like, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah,
we
that
could just
sounds good.
Go, and then like, somehow we can maybe get teams. So y'all could pick teams in the chat,
I like that.
and then you could like vote for what you want your answer to be. We'll have to figure it out, but like, yeah,
Nice.
it'll be fun and it'll be great to learn. You know, because it'll keep everyone in the chat involved.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, maybe I'll have a prize too for whoever, for the team that wins. I was already thinking about that, but I don't know how I'd be able to get a single prize to like a whole bunch of people.
Wow.
We'll see.
Look at this 4-hour close bearish here. So what do you know? 4-hour close bearish. We need a top wick, and then if we start breaking these lows here and close below, chat, then I think these sells are still in place, and I will most likely look to give this move a second chance. But gonna need a closure below here. So we close below here. That means we're breaking the 4-hour lows. But I would like to see a bit of a top wick here. So we need a top wick. And then once we break these lows, we can have, you know, sell stops, whether it's on the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour. It's pretty clean below here. So we'll see. 4-hour looks good.
Wait on.
This is
Kahoot
gonna
would be
really-
crazy too, bro.
Huh?
Kahoot, you know what that is?
Nah,
Yeah, I do.
I've never
Yep.
played that.
Y'all know. Yeah, so like I think we would have to. So like Nick would have to stream the questions on like his screen. So but then everyone will have a link, and then they get to click the color or square or whatever. It's like you get 4 answers you pick from.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Oh,
that'd
wow.
be sick.
And then yeah, so whoever answers it right and the fastest, the most gets first through. I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty sure you could do it like hundreds of people,
Oh, damn.
and then
Oh,
then you could go by single person and actually see who's answering it the fastest and that kind of stuff.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
that would be fun.
I like
A
that.
Kahoot trading game.
Yeah, that would probably be nuts. All right, yeah, well maybe we'll do that. I'll
Bullish
have to look and
candle
see
closes
that.
with no topic. What do you do?
Boom. See who can answer that the fastest.
Yep.
And we'll do the winner gets like 6 months of free signals or something.
X.
Like
Yeah,
Something
whoever
like that.
wins. Or does it have to be a team, or can it be an individual?
No, for Kahoot
people.
it's individual.
Oh,
That's
okay,
why I
cool,
was like,
cool.
it would be cooler. Yeah, I think it'd be easier with that. Yeah, some of you know what that is too, so
Kahoot?
yeah, C4, shout out C4. He reminded me of that. Kahoot. Hell, I haven't touched Kahoot since like
I'm
Spanish
down.
class.
I'm down.
Hey, chat. Y'all know what Kahoot is, right? Alright.
Yeah, you guys know what Kahoot is. Yeah, that would be awesome.
Sandra, know?
And then it'll give you guys a chance to, you know, show
Show your knowledge.
show your knowledge, yeah.
Show your wisdom.
And then I don't know, it's not too often that like you go through like this trading game and you take tests, you know what I mean? Like at least like with school and that, you know, you learn the material, they lecture you for how many days,
Yeah.
and then you take a test and then you see how well you learn and retain the information. This would be like the first time that you could, you know, go back and see how much of the information of the streams that you retain. So I don't know. I think it'd be awesome.
Quiz yourself here.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be fun. I think that's what we'll start doing on bank holidays, gang. So we won't just stream, but I think July 4th we're gonna do a simulation, probably be like a 2-hour simulation that we'll do, and then the next holiday we could start some games up and have some fun.
Sure.
So some of you who haven't heard of Kahoot, that's like the newer thing that they started doing in like schools, where they'll just put it up on the like a big, I don't know what you guys call them, like Promethean board or whatever. Yeah, and then each student sits in their desks. They have their own laptop or whatever, and then they all just join the link that the teacher has, and then you're in. And then once she starts the thing, you just click whatever 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the answer is. It's multiple choice, and you would read it off the screen. But since like we're not all gonna be actually sitting in the classroom, Nick would just stream it, the questions from the stream.
Yeah, that sounds pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, for school it was useless, but for trading it'll be useful.
Yeah, we'll make it useful.
We'll make it fun.
Yep.
No trolling either with the names, bro.
Having Kahoot on days when the market's closed will literally have you stand out. Yeah, we'll see. We'll have some fun. What's a simulation? Simulation is where it's a simulation. So you get to simulate previous days in history. So we can go back. What we'll probably do is we'll probably trade like July of like 2022 or 2021. And yeah, we'll just have some fun. So basically the ticker goes and the candles will move just like they would normally move here. And you can speed them up, you can slow them down, you can skip. So you can kind of like just simulate certain days and weeks that happen in history. So it's pretty cool. All live data too, which is still, or not live data, but previous live data.
Definitely a good somewhere good to test your strategy, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yo, Nick, I had a question come in for you.
What up, brother?
So they said today is daily bullish bias, but Nick didn't mention range 2 yet. Can you ask why?
Yeah, so we were looking at, so earlier we looked at the range 2 sells below here. So what we did though on this candle was we anticipated that with the NY open, price should continue down. So, you know, we did go against the range 2 there as well. And we also traded in the red zone a bit. But the reason for the trade was the NY open. We had made a top wick. We had broke the lows. You know, price should come down and retest that support. So, yeah, I think we should have waited for a range 2 sells at that point. But, you know, what are we going to do? But, yeah, I think, so with the daily candle in mind that we haven't broken the highs, we're rejecting the 4-hour. The 4-hour also closed bearish. There's no bottom wick on the daily. We're staying below 1940 here. There's a way that we can anticipate sells, right? And I think at this point it would just be a closure below this level, and that should drive us down at 930, right? If this 30-minute candle right here ends up closing bearish below the range, and then we get 930 coming in, well, not only are we breaking these 4-hour lows here, but we're going to close below on the 30-minute, and then the next 30-minute brings volume, and if that volume comes in, then you may see a push like this. So yeah, the range 2 is a bit, you got to pivot, you know, you got to understand what everything is saying. And you know, with that daily candle having no bottom wick, and you know, looking like if this was a 30-minute time frame, this would kind of look like a celery play, right? We would kind of have this right here, right? Support right here. If this candle can make a top wick, break the lows, then we can get in this position. So if we can anticipate something like that happening, you know, somewhere in these ranges up here, then we can catch a bigger move. So that's kind of like the idea of why we would take sells in that clean traffic range, especially if that happens at 930 where the volume is coming in.
Still holding. Damn, we got a couple of diamond hands in there.
I'm still holding the short. Oh, nice.
We got a couple of diamond hands in the chat.
People are still in that position. Wow.
What's better, 1 year of signals or the mentorship? Ooh, I mean, I would say the mentorship because it's one-on-one, but the signals will last longer. How do you feel about GJ today? I feel like GJ needs to create some sort of market structure. We've been pushing down a bit. It's been just a 4-hour drive down, right? So we don't know because we bump into a bunch of support here. So there's really not much of a range to go. This is a 25 pip range, so not too bad, but we're pretty bullish based off the higher time frame. So you never know. We may come down now to this support, right? And just do something like this, like just push up, boom, 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 and continue up. So yeah, we'll see. Pretty bullish on the higher time frames, but all the lower time frames are pretty bearish. So outside of the daily, everything below the daily is pretty bearish here. But I probably won't touch it today. Let's take a look at US 30 as well. Yeah, it's closing no bottom wick there. That's pretty tough. How'd that 4-hour candle close? 4-hour close bullish on US 30 here. So gotta wait and see how this this starts to open up and where we start to go.
Would you look at that? I'm funded. Congrats.
Hey yo.
Hey yo.
Nice.
Good vibes.
Hey, congrats.
Daily has a bottom wick on my MT4. What's that mean? Is it a small bottom wick? Like, is it like this? This little wick? It might be a small one.
Yeah, bro, GJ has been like this whole month.
Yeah, GJ has been really slowing down. GJ has changed a lot. Over the past 2 years, not the same.
Yeah, for real.
Not the same.
Not a pair I want to trade.
I think it's like the best during the month.
Exactly. And it's only like when it does, like I feel like this is how GJ moves, is it's like it flies the whole ways to where it wants to go on like the higher time frame target, and then it just like dies.
Yep.
Real fast.
And haven't really been getting many moves here. Like, look how choppy all this is on the 30-minute time frame. Just very choppy,
bro.
See how you had this clean candles to the left, but price was just very choppy on the way down. Normally what you'll see is you'll see clean candles over here to the left, and you'll see clean candles over here to the right. But not today. Not today.
The whole mess of choppiness.
Yeah.
Like, you look for the cleanest support and resistance, but it's just a bunch of choppiness. Like, it's not good.
Yeah, we haven't traded pound.
It's straight bullish.
Yeah, we haven't traded pound yen since I think the beginning of the month, right? It's been a minute.
End of the month, yep.
It's been a minute.
End of the month, yep.
Hey, can we get 700 likes? We only need 2 more. We only need 2 more. And if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I feel like it was just last week where we were talking about 5K subs. I think it was, right?
Right, bro? Like, yeah.
Yeah, Chad, we're on the move. We got growth ahead of us.
Put your post notifications on too.
Turn them
That way
posties.
you can get that content right when it drops.
Turn your notifications on.
Let me show you guys the YouTube studio.
Yeah. So once Nick puts out that playbook video, you'll get it.
If you're gonna want to
you
get
can,
that, you're
hide
gonna want to
video.
watch it.
Yeah, hey chat, 5,000 subs. 5 days ago, and we're about to be on 6,000. 3,000 in the last 28 days. Shout out to the growth of this channel, man. You guys are getting valued, and that's the most important part. That shows me that there's value here, right? If we see the fruit in the numbers, then we understand that we're doing our job. And if 140,000 views have been already on this channel, then, and we've only been open since February, man, just wait. We've gotten 10,000 views on a couple of our streams now with only 5,000 subs. So could you imagine if we're getting double the views than we have subs. So could you imagine if we had 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, where we would be?
Seriously, bro.
So it looks.
We got a bleeder covered.
We got a bleeder coming? Oh.
We got a bleeder covered.
It's GJ. Yeah, so we're killing it, gang. Good job. Way to go.
Chat, for all the new beginners or anything, you know, the more you've been consistent, the more you should start to know more, the more you should start to get familiar with things, right? The more you've been consistent. So yeah.
Yes,
You've been showing up and hearing what we're saying, seeing what we're doing, right? Because honestly, I think this is the best way to learn, right? You're watching a professional trader trade. So you're gonna know how to trade if you watch every day. You know? You'll get familiar with it over time.
Yeah. Yeah, repetition, gang, repetition.
No.
I'll have someone call me at the open.
All right, so yeah, this is probably what we should have waited for originally. But if we do get a closure below here, I'm gonna give this trade a second chance.
We got a closure below.
I need to buy some stocks on this group. Why is your channel named Time to Eat? Because it's time to eat, baby.
It's time to
Not only do we feed you in pence, but we feed you in the bread of life. Hallelujah.
Sir.
And
Glory to the Father.
it's always time to eat, man. When my wife asks me what time it is, you know what I say? It's game time, baby. She's like, nah, seriously, what time is it? Like, seriously, it's game time. She's like, no, seriously.
Time, baby.
All right, it's
Really is.
9:20.
Game time.
It's been game time, baby.
Is it ever time to eat?
Time to eat because it's time to eat, man. It's time to eat
Yeah,
and
if it
knowledge.
was the time to eat, it's right now.
Yeah, you know my wife actually made the name up.
Really?
Yeah.
Shout out Anna. W for Anna.
Wifey.
Yeah, my wife made the name up about, I want to say like 2 years ago now. So a year and a half before we ever started streaming, we already had the vision in our brain, in our minds, right? And then it was just about bringing it to reality. It's about praying on it, asking for vision, right? Asking for discernment on how to handle everything, and yeah, it's come about. So now we're cooking, gang. We're in the big leagues now. Hey, chat, we're in the big leagues. We're in the big. Not many New York streamers are carrying the weight that we're carrying. So shout out to all you guys, man, because we're killing this thing. We starving.
We got motion.
We got motion. Girls always think about food. That's true. Big leagues, baby. Y'all from New York? Yeah, yeah. We live in Tampa. Or I live in Tampa now.
Big leagues.
The big leagues, baby.
Yes, sir, I'm from New York.
We got some New Yorkers. We got some New Yorkers here. Double top spotted bleeder. Yeah, we're gonna give this trade a second chance. If we get this closure below. Big if, gang, big if. We got 10 minutes.
Big if. Fire breaking the lows.
Bleeder. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Man, I need a tight stop though so I can keep my 10 lots open here.
Yeah.
Can we get a tight stop?
Can we get a set up?
I'm holding for the next 2 years. Take profit. Take profit's gonna be somewhere around this support, right around here, maybe even right around this level right here, whatever this is, 1924, 500-ish. So it's a pretty decent range. And on this trade, I probably will not close partials. I'll probably let it run. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Yeah, because if 930 comes in and we're closing below here with clean traffic to the left, we should blow past this resistance here and move our way all the way down to support. Yeah, 1923. I'll probably close partials right around 1924, 500, somewhere around that area. Lower the risk, Nick. Yeah, I'll probably go probably like maybe 10 lots, but probably 8 lots, 7 lots, somewhere around there.
Got a little bit of trolling.
Oh, we got some trolling? That's cool.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Yo, Nick, are you in a trade?
No, sir. Man, you had already experienced 35 lots unintentionally. Why don't you just experience it intentionally again? Yeah, yeah, that's just because the stop loss is, you know, I don't want to lose my account.
That's how below accounts.
15-minute close below. Bruce is coming. Yeah, Bruce is coming.
Is he out?
I need all you guys to enter 35 lots so you guys can push my little 8 lot down.
We all gotta sell before Nick sells, so
Every one of you guys get in before me.
Yeah, he's gonna get in after us. So we gotta start pushing it for him so that he gets that tight stop, bro.
Very true.
He helps us, we help him out for the
Perfect.
one time. Let's do it, chat.
Actually, you guys get in now so we make sure this closure.
Alright.
Yeah, exactly.
We get this
gotta
closure.
find the liquidity, bro.
I just took a sell.
Sales?
Nah, seriously. If we do close below here, you'll most likely see a drive. You'll most likely see something like this.
Sam, sales?
Sales.
Awesome.
Yeah, and we don't need that range too because no bottom wick on the daily wick, and then we have volume. So
Yep. I could totally see this daily coming down, creating that bottom wick for sure. 4 hour created that resistance there. See, I should have took this position. Look at this. It would have been a 2-pip stop.
yeah, chat. Cause think about it. If 85% of candles have top bottom wicks, wouldn't the daily candle, want to make a bottom wick at some point today? After filling that top wick,
Possibly.
filling the wick, going bullish.
Possibly.
Gotta put all the time frames together. It's like a puzzle. Each time frame is its own chapter, and it's a story, and you have to tell your story.
Yeah. Yup. Hey, yo, chat, sub to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Sub to the channel. And it's a beautiful Monday, right? It's a beautiful Monday to start the week off strong, and it doesn't necessarily mean in your P&L either, gang. Don't some of y'all let your P&L fluctuate your way of thinking too. You just gotta set the tone in your mind, right? It's gonna be a great day overall, right? Great week overall. Set the tone for that this week, and that's it, man. You gotta take high probability trades. If you came in here limping today, just know that every trader comes to a point where they're on their crutches. Right? They're limping. They don't know if they can do it anymore, but you got to stay steady. You got to put all the BS behind you, and you got to make those adjustments, right? You got to just take the mistakes. Those aren't the problem. It's how quick are you making adjustments, right? Because it's one thing to make a mistake, not a big deal, but how fast can you adjust and move forward? That's where the separation comes, and that's where the separation comes in terms of when the profit will continue to consistently roll in. So if you can start to really improve on those mistakes or misjudgments or anything like that you're maybe going through, FOMO, greed, as soon as you can make those adjustments, the sooner you'll be able to realize consistent profitability in your P&L. But until you do that, it's just going to be a back and forth, you know, blowing account after account after account. And I promise you, that's just never going to work for you, right? It's never going to work. So you got to get disciplined, man. You got to make the corrections. Don't go through the struggle longer than you have to go through it. It's just pointless. Just pointless.
Yeah, Chad. Altitude, your attitude, altitude, your life, right? Let's be excited for a new week, right? New week to be better to ourselves. It doesn't matter if you're negative or positive, right? Don't be mad that wherever you are in your account, don't be mad or upset, right? Just be grateful that you have trading, right? That you can trade, that you have the opportunity to eventually master this and become a full-time trader and do this for the long term, right? It's all about how you see things. So,
Yep.
you know, just be grateful. Don't be upset where you're at. Be grateful for the charts and that you have the ability to learn.
Yes, sir. Where did my signals go? All right, lock it in here, chat, because we got 5 minutes for a candle to close. And if we could pull back a little bit, that'd be amazing. And then we'll have sell stops on the break of the lows.
Will we ever?
The signals, are they specific to certain pairs? Yeah, they're mostly only going to be gold and GJ, gold and pound yen. Yeah, if you guys do want the signals, we extended the promo. So if any package of signals that you buy, you get 2 months free. So we're doing a 2-month free promo from now to the end of the month. Actually, we started it last week, and I literally had over 50 messages coming in. Bro, is the promo still there? Is the promo still there? So I was like, you know what? Let's just let it rock. And let's add an extra month. So shout out to all you guys that got in there. Now you're surprised, but you thought you only had 1 extra month, and now you got 2. Yeah.
Nick's being extra generous, so take advantage.
15-minute stops. Yeah, possibly. Yup. We'll see. There is no trade yet, though. So there's no stops. There's nothing. Dum 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 dum. Do you consider this candle a momentum candle? No, the next one. Yeah, the next time a lot of volume's coming in is going to be on this next 30-minute candle. So we'll see how this current one closes here. Right now it's about a 20 pip stop.
Hey, Chad, we need a bottom wick.
And we need a bottom wick, yeah. And we need a top wick on the next candle. Yep.
And we need an entry, yep.
We need it all, gang. We need it all. Are you in a trade?
We need to see
No.
exactly what we need to see. Remember that.
Yes, sir. If you guys are trying to get in right now,
Just wait on it.
just wait on it. Just give it some time. All right, let's we got 5 minutes here for the open of this new 30-minute candle. And if we get a nice pullback, that would be awesome.
Yeah, Chad, if we want to put our money on the trade, you know, everything has to align, everything has to make sense, has to go together. It has to look like the best trade, it has to confirm us that is the best trade, right?
Yeah.
Or we can put our money on the line.
Yep. TP. So TP, full TP on this is probably going to be somewhere down here at 1922. Or let's say
What's the win rate on the
1923.
signals?
What is that?
Someone said, what's the win rate on the signals? It's a lot.
Win rate on the signals, before that trade, it was 86%.
It's a whole lot.
So maybe it went down to like 84, 85. 1923. Yeah, so if we do take a position here, stops are going to be kept above the new candle. So wherever that new candle is, right now I'm expecting a top wick probably back into this range. So probably about 20-25 pips, and then TP down here for about 56, 55-56 pips. So we got 1 minute here. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback, or 10 seconds actually. And then, oh, look at this. Yeah, 14 pip stop there. Let's see here. So, gonna.
That top whip, come on.
Yup. Yup.
All right, yeah, so I'll probably go 8 lots here. Let's see. Let me just move this over. Yeah, we definitely need a bit of a top wick. And then we could probably have, yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of the lows here. Yeah, sell stops on the break of the lows, and stops are going to be above previous candle or current candle. All right. So yeah, sell stops here on the break of the lows. See if we can get activated. So we got 9:30 coming in. Stops are going to be pretty tight here. They're going to be about like 8 pips. If that's the high, if it comes up to break the high, then we're going to have to adjust that. But as of right now, that's the high, and then TP is going to be down here. All right, so we may have to adjust. Let's see where that high comes in at. It's about 8 pips. All right, cool. So it looks like I've been activated. So activated into some sells here, and we got 930 volume. If we break these lows, we should continue down. And we will see what happens. But we do have volume on our side here, so we'll see what happens.
Let's go.
Doom, 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 doom. Activated? Oh, nice. Perfect.
Boom, boom, boom.
All right, chat. I'm going to move my stops to break even here. I'm not going to close any partials just yet. I'm going to leave this running a bit. And let's see if we can get down to this break even line here. But we should be good to drive.
There we go.
All right, there we go. So right here, I'm going to close partials. And stops are at break even. Gonna trail them a little bit in profit, but close partials there at 17 pips. And now let's see if we can get the rest to ride. But W, way to give that trade a second chance. Yeah, we should have been waiting on that to begin with, right? But it's all good. So yeah, I closed 80% of my position there, chat, and let's see if the rest could drive.
Fireworks.
Beautiful. Textbook. W's. You know what? Oh yeah. W's. Yeah, we should be good to drive now down to you know, this level down here. So perfect, man. Yes, sir. So let's mark that up real quick.
W's in the chat. W's in the chat.
And that's the trade. So 9:30 a.m. 6:26. Perfect. 26, 23, gold. Sell. So yeah, you know, we were right about the direction, just you know, should have stayed out of that red zone, right? This was current, this was 30-minute, basically half. Oh, didn't close full yet, so we'll see what happens here. Pushing.
Pushing. We like to trade. We like to do a little bit of trading.
By the way, chat, I hope this is a good example for you. You know, my goal is always to be a good example, and I hope you guys took notes here. You know, when I took that loss, did you guys see me get all crazy? Did you guys see me try and revenge trade it? No. What did we do? We just sat tight. We waited for another setup, another playbook position, and we waited on it, right? And once we got it, we executed flawlessly without any hesitation. Oh, but you lost the last trade. You know, you're not scared to get in the new one. Nope. Just trade. This is what I mean by trade by trade by trade. And hopefully that's a good example for you guys.
Yep, that's how you move on from a loss. You focus on the next best trade, and that was a great example of what Nick just did. So,
yep. And now that loss is history, man.
Yep. And remember, it's not one loss that determines you as a trader, right? It's a series of trades, not one.
Yep.
New win streak loading.
Yes, sir. Now we go on another run. Where can we enter again? I would not enter again.
Yeah, it's gone.
That was the trade. So let's see if we can get down here now. If you're gonna enter again, you have to what? What do we do? We wait for candles to close, right? So if you're gonna enter again, then you gotta wait for another candle to close. W's in the chat. Hey, W. Let's go. Way to get that trade back, gang. Would you call this a particular setup? Yes, that is our breakout. That was a breakout at 9:30. Oh, I wasn't watching your stream, but I took that trade. Beautiful. I passed this trade. Can I join now? Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, there we go. Starting to see if we could break the lows though and come on down. I think we're gonna see a push.
I'm just broke here.
I think we're gonna see a push here, gang.
Let's go. There we go.
Could there be another safe trade later? Yeah, there could be. Yeah.
There we go.
W's in the chat. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, this is probably your next level to manage risk, right at these support levels here. Phase 1 completed. W, bro. Let's go. Who's that? Blue Pro FX. Congrats, bro. I'm up 4%. Nice. Let's do it.
Beautiful.
Let's go, baby.
Sam, let's go.
I'm up 1.5.
Nice. I'm out. Got today's goal. Beautiful. After Raja, you are definitely the guy to watch. Your streams are fun and profitable. Thanks, Nick. Hey, Albin, appreciate you, man. Should I exit? You do whatever you want. I called the close here in the signals chat. So we all closed partials, and now we just got runners. Yeah. But a simple trade, right? A breakout at 9:30, and that was it.
Simple, baby, simple.
Yes, sir. There we go. There we go.
Wants to pass the 5-minute lows.
Yeah, it should. You should see this continue down.
I think this is gonna go all the way.
5 lows, yeah.
Yeah, what's the daily
Like it
look
is.
like now?
Daily is yeah, what's the daily looking like now? Look at that, chat. Daily's coming down. See, we try to anticipate that from up here.
Mm-hmm.
And man, if that would have worked, you guys would have been jumping up and down.
Ooh, past the 5-minute lows. Let's go.
There it
This
is.
is gonna. Yeah, this is going all the way.
There it is, chat. I'm gonna close another partials right there. So just close the bulk of my position right there, and now I just got a small little runner. Gonna probably trail these stops. Yeah, below the, probably right above this 5-minute high here. Yeah, we might start to pull up from here, but maybe we just want to make a top wick and come down. But I'm gonna trail my stops. Probably about what, 10 pips, maybe. About
Yeah.
five pips in profit. But yeah, beauty. That's the trade.
Beautiful.
So, did you guys see the reactions? Right? Did you guys notice a different reaction from the loss to the win, or does it seem pretty straightforward? Right? It's just another trade. Whether you win, whether you lose, they're just another trade, a part of your bunch of your monthly trades, right? So you never want to dwell on your losses. You never want to jump up and down and celebrate your wins. You just want to be composed. I'm up 4% and pretty much have the same. Oh, nice, beautiful. Good job, guys.
What
Way
a
to go.
play.
Big blader.
What a play.
As expected.
Beautiful.
Rent, funds secured. Nick went from being down 4% to almost break even. Oh yeah, almost. I think my heart pumped more on the W than the L. Yeah, just another trade, man.
Oi. Yo, shout out Nasty if you're still here. He's,
K Nasty. K
He's at
Nasty.
6%.
Oh, nice.
He's almost there with phase 1, bro.
Please explain why we didn't wait for a bigger top wick, because there was a so 9:30 is a lot of volume that dumps into gold. It's the open of the New York Stock Exchange. So when that opens, you have a lot of volume dumping into gold, and this is a play that we've done probably 100 times at this point. 9:30 positions. I really wanted a nice small stop loss too, because you guys know where I was at. And it was a 10 pip stop, so I left room for myself with an 8 lot, and yeah, just moved on down very nicely. It should continue down to support, but this was the level right here which we had marked off, right over here. So that's where you want to really secure partials, right there.
We like to trade.
We like to trade. Hey, Nicodemus.
Like to do a bit of trading.
Hey, gang, we're going to be talking a lot about Nicodemus here tonight. John chapter 3. Nicodemus.
I like to do a little bit of trading.
Do a little trade.
I like to do a little bit of trading.
Just a slight bit.
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
Something slight.
Some light.
Yeah, something slight.
Some light, like one trade.
Looking for clean buys on gold? Nice. Guys, how much are you risking in prop firms? I usually have a 10 lot open on a 100K account.
I risk 2% on my account per trade.
Yeah, so you want to fall somewhere between 2 and 3%. My name is named after that. Oh, wow. Amazing. We're going to be talking about Nicodemus and his one-on-one meeting with Jesus tonight. It's going to be a fun time. What's a good prop firm? My Forex funds.
And full TP coming out.
Yeah,
2%.
just bleed real hard on this 15 smash.
Oh yeah, this thing should come down. We should come down to the support here, gang.
Yeah, no bottom wick on the daily chat, remember.
Shouldn't be an issue. Let's look at that daily bottom wick now, or that daily candle now. So we're coming down here.
Give us an onion for tomorrow.
Yeah.
That'll be money.
Money, money, money.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on.
Someone's probably trying to catch a bottom of a buy right now, bro. Don't be that guy. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy.
If you're trying to do that, you're not that guy. Stop.
More than halfway done with the second phase 1 account.
There you go.
Let's go.
All right, approaching 30 pip profit here. 30 pips.
Beautiful.
Can anyone join on the Bible study? Of course. Absolutely. Absolutely.
If the price is right, come on down.
Where's Bruce Buffer? It's time to tap into this support here. All right, there it is. There's our push. Just beautiful.
And I'm up.
Amazing.
Beautiful.
Let's
Good
start
job,
the week
Sam.
off.
Sam, you just got it up.
Yep.
Beautiful. My boy Sam.
All right, chat. I'm gonna close full right here.
We got boy.
40 pips. Right. Oh, 41, 42. Can we get to that support? All right. Right there, chat. I'm out. Oh, perfect exit there. 45 pips, gang.
Let's go.
Good work.
Good work.
Excellent.
All we did was follow our plan. Alright.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
That's it. 45. 45. And W's back on the board. All right. Nice. Yeah, I should have had the 35 lot open on that one, huh?
That's the only reason you took L there.
Yeah, yeah.
Because if you had your fixed lots, you would have been able to just move the stop
Oh, yeah.
to where it needed to be.
Yep.
1000%.
Yeah. Gang, good stuff. W's. Hey, if you took that trade, spam a W in the chat. Let's get the W's rolling. We need some extra W's today, since I, by mistake, over-risked my account.
Extra W's.
Extra W's. Extra W's today.
800 likes on the stream. Let's
Oh
go.
my God. Yeah.
Yeah, W's be quick.
Dubs,
Those
boys.
are extra.
Hey, yo.
Sailboats and
Oh.
leaders in the chat too.
Sailboats and bleeders. There it goes. There's full TP, gang. Good stuff. All right, and that's the
Awesome.
trade.
How that daily look.
Hey, yo.
Price
Yo.
action warriors.
Price action to the T. And we're out.
That was the most beautiful play.
We got motion. You would think we're Isaac Newton, bro. All the laws of motion. We studied them. We got them, bro.
Yeah, man.
We got motion.
Dubs.
Freaking move. That was the trade of the day, boys.
Yep. Yeah, it was.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was. Hey, yo,
Yes,
chat. W's. Yeah, that was a good one. Right down to support. And where do we go next? Well, we might potentially start to tap into 1920 here. 1919, 1920. Trade of the month, yo. Later, there you go, Red.
Yeah.
My bad, Chad. I just gotta send this message real quick.
Next trade? Yeah, next trade.
Next, come on,
trade.
chat. Let's get the likes up.
Hey, Chad, guess what
Hey,
we do now?
where are our likes
Focus on
at?
the next best trade.
Where are we at on the likes, gang? Are we at 1,000? Hey, if you took that trade, give the stream a like and sub to the channel as well.
That was so nice.
Alright, Chad, that trade is done with, and it's time to focus on the next best trade.
Yep.
Every time we take a trade, I swear, it's like every time we take a trade, I'm like, that was the best trade we ever took. And it's like, it's true though. Like every trade is like
Grade
better
A.
than the next.
Every trade is grade A.
It's better than the next.
Hey, if you guys are posting that on IG, tag me on your Instagram story and I'll be sure to repost it. WWW, nice. Hey, Nick, you mostly trade gold? Yep. No USD JPY? Nope. I don't even know about re-entering. No, please don't. Amazing trade, thank you. Where's the Bible study tonight? It's going to be on Zoom. You can find it, the link to Zoom, in the War Room. So the War Room is going to be in our Discord channel here. And that's where you'll be able to find the Zoom link right here in the War Room. Right here. The War Room, baby. All we do is win, 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 no matter what. Later. When are you dropping the playbook? This afternoon. I'm just waiting on a thumbnail. Where's the next best trade? Probably tomorrow. I got 44 pips. Beautiful. How do we know there's volume? That's my advanced technique there, Dylan. Show up to the stream every day, and you will learn. Maybe another sell if the candle closes below. Did a dumbass yesterday night. I would have been funded it. Whoa, yeah, there you go. Lesson learned, right?
Yep.
We want to hear how Uncle Scalp's trade went. Uncle Scalp, how'd your trade go?
My trade went fantastic.
Gorgeous.
He
It
said
was
so.
gorgeous. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. It wasn't.
He said sell, sir.
It was beautiful.
That was a nice.
What'd you get?
What was that?
What'd you get?
So I did 2% on my funded live
Nice.
account, and then I hit 3% on the phase 1 account. So
Let's go. Gorgeous. He texted me and he said, "Sale below here, sir."
Sales.
This is Scalp. He literally pulls up to his terminal, goes, sale, hits a button.
Sales.
That's it.
A lot of people are eating right now. A lot of people.
Yeah.
A lot of people. My DMs are going crazy.
Yo, big shout out, Big Nick though. Get more W's in the chat for him.
Yeah.
How many
seriously.
of you would have fumbled if, or not even fumbled, but you know what I mean? After that, man, I'll tell you what, I would have closed it for the day. I mean, I don't know if I'd have shut down the whole stream because there's so many people here, but yo, big shout out to Nick.
Thank you, brother.
Big shout out. Big shout out.
That is not easy to do. To sit here and then take a win, stay composed completely after,
Yeah.
even execute and enter the trade too, instead of just saying, like, yo, I would sell here.
Hey, you
Nah,
guys, I
good
would.
job.
Hey guys, sell here,
1%.
but I'm not gonna.
This guy came 1% from like blowing the account accidentally. And
Bro.
that just takes
Yeah.
some beautiful W.
That's what I'm saying. Big shout outs. Big Nick.
Yeah, he's a robot. Yes, I am. I am robotic.
Yeah.
Respect, brother. After taking that beating like that, and no beating, no beating. If anything, I beat the markets up.
Yo.
I beat the markets up. Everybody eats. Yeah, gang. Like I said, I hope that's a good example to you guys to really show you like, kind of like how I mean, I don't want to pat my own back and toot my own horn, but like that just should show you how a professional trader handles a loss and handles a trading, and how they continue on in their trading session and stay composed, like Sam said, and you know, not go in and not try and revenge trade something right off the rip, right? But sit back, sit tight, wait for that next trade, wait for that next setup, and you know, good things happen to those who follow their plan, right? This would have been just a, you know, a beautiful day had I just had the actual proper risk, but yeah. Beautiful.
Chat, and you know, we're not worried. We're not gonna get very down on our losses, or we're not gonna get super hype on our wins, right? Because it's just one trade. We know that one trade doesn't affect us, right? That doesn't matter. It's a series of trades, right? Following the plan.
Yep.
It's not our first trade. It's not our last trade. So there's no reason to be getting upset over an outcome or result of one trade.
Yeah, or hyped
we're
up.
Taking a bunch of other trades. So with that being said, there's no reason for us to get super down on losses or super hype on wins.
Yeah.
Other trades, there's more trades to come.
You know when I get hyped up? When the money hits the account.
Exactly.
And before that, it's just up for grabs. So doesn't matter where you're at on your P&L. All that matters is you just show up every day, do the same thing, stay consistent. New to the channel, first time.
Continue to say it. Our job as professionals, right? No matter what the result is, it's focus on the next best trade. Get that in your head.
Yeah. Welcome to the channel, Aaron. Welcome, man. Hope you guys, if you haven't subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give the stream a like. Can we get 900 likes real quick? I think we can do it. Look at Nightbot. Nightbot wants you to give the stream a like. Do it for the Nightbot. If you won't do it for me, do it for the Nightbot. Don't celebrate. Yep. Don Vo will be proud of you. Yep.
True.
Good stuff, gang. So yeah, we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes here. But what a 1 hour candle here, huh?
No,
Just what a 4 hour candle, I should say. 4 hour candle just dropped.
Just fire broke them lows and just drove. Push.
Yep. Best trade.
Yeah, boys, I think that's gonna be it for me today, though. I'm gonna head back.
Do it, bro. Enjoy your trip.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
We will.
I'll catch you,
John.
We'll see you,
Thank you, bro.
mañana.
Thank you. I'll catch you boys tomorrow morning. Nick, Sam, Uncle Scout.
See you later, brother.
Chat. I'll catch you guys.
Later,
Take
G.
it easy, John.
Alright, peace, boys.
Later, bro. Don also took a win. Oh, nice, but took a trade much lower. Well done. Young Chris, your market's professional in the building. W. Thank you, Nick, for always install. Yeah, got you, Scott. I need 1% to pass. Oh, nice. Nice.
Yo,
Cheers.
Nick, this copier is really good. You're gonna like it a lot.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna.
Yeah, you're gonna really like it.
I'm gonna need to use it. So. Let's see. Wish you the best. Thank you. Y'all so dope. Yeah, the reason we didn't wait for range 2, AJ, was very simple, right? We had a closure below during volume, and just like the last time when we took the buys, right? When we needed to wait for a range 2, but we had a closure below based off of this 30-minute time frame. 4-hour time frame closed bearish. 1 hour also had no bottom wick, which we could expect for that candle to make. So putting those, combining all that, along with volume coming in at 9:30, breaking the lows, that's why we took this position, right? Clean traffic to the left, should come down, tap into support, which it did. And we've seen this happen over and over and over again. So that's why we took the trade. And that's why we did not need to wait for a range 2 below there. Yeah, they already took our money on this one. So they were like, we got your money now. We can let you go. When do we upgrade? Yeah, there should be an upgrade button depending on what company you're with, Patrick. There should be an upgrade button on your, you know, whatever, your portal. Took that loss, came back in profits. Thanks, Nick. 3% on my channel. Oh, nice. Trade copier works like butter. Thing works like butter.
For real, it does.
Oh, nice. Out of the past 13 days, I've only had 4 losing days. Getting better at this. Losers weren't larger than 1%. Very nice. Nick, somehow I couldn't execute the trade today. Did this happen to you too in the early days? Do you mean were you like hesitant? Like you took a loss and then you were hesitating to get in the trade? Is that what you mean? Capricorn? When's the Bible study? Tonight. Tonight at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to be right here in our Discord. You got to come to the Discord to... Oh, damn, gang. I'm going to try and get to all these messages, I promise. 63 and all these, so... yeah. The War Room, gang, right here. In our Discord. Come into the War Room. I'll be sending the Zoom link in there. Yeah. Just like that. Just click the link and join the call. It's going to be a good one. Oh, look at this. Big drip. Yeah, I'm fully out of this position now. Oh, 930 volume is a new concept I just learned from the stream. Oh, well, Benson, you have just learned.
That's massive.
Yeah. 78% of phase 1 in 4 days. Nice. Very nice. With Nick, we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon with Bitcoin.
About Dogecoin.
Had to, yeah, with Doge.
What a trade.
Doge. Had to log into my wife's account to give you an additional like. Hey, thank you, man. Hey, we're 2 away from 900, gang. Can we get to 900 likes? All we need is 2 people to like the stream.
How's the old Doge looking?
Yeah, I kind of hesitated and got late to execute, then I just left it. Yeah. Yeah, you probably just hesitated. You know, you kind of had that loss in your, you know, that taste of that loss still, and, you know, maybe it made you hesitate. So, yeah, you just got to understand, bro, like, win, lose, or draw, I mean, it doesn't matter, right? You just got to move on to the next trade. You got to be robotic, and, you know, my job is to execute on trades when the setup presents itself. So that's what we did. You know, that's what we did up here too. You know, we had this push down. We were expecting, you know, this is what I was expecting the NY Open to do, but it just didn't happen for us that time, right? So we broke the lows, came down, broke the highs, you know, stopped us out, and then we just waited. And then once we officially had that close below, you know, that was the next opportunity for me. And, you know, if an opportunity comes, then you can't hesitate. You just gotta run. Just gotta run it. Can I join the Bible study? Absolutely. 100%. Everybody's welcome. It's actually a good one too. Atheist discussions. I think you would enjoy it. So I would love to have you there tonight. Nick the boy. Hey, Sam the goat. Nick, can I enter a sell now? Probably not. Hey, yo, Donald passed phase 1. Let's go. W's in the chat for Donald. Let's go, bro. Good stuff.
Let's go.
Good stuff.
Let's go.
Can I give more than 1 like? No. Don't try and give more than 1, because then you're going to take away your other one. Stay on stream until we get 1K likes. Yeah, that should happen pretty soon. Did you learn from Don Vo? Yeah, Don. I learned from Don and Raja. Yep. Thank you, Nick. Good day, bro. Hey, you too. Just curious. Yeah. I learned from Don Vo and Raja Banks. They were my two mentors in trading. Yeah, man, if I didn't take the trade earlier, I probably would have accidentally opened up 34 lots on this trade because that's what was saved into my settings, so.
You would have been quaking.
I would have been quaking.
Dude, whenever that first happened, you were like, whoa, whoa, what's going on?
Yo.
And at the same time, I got in the trade, so I started quaking too.
I looked down, I seen the lot size, I'm like, oh brother. Oh brother.
Well, I didn't see your lot size, so I just looked over and seen you were in, and I was like, oh, what happened? That I didn't see that. And because I was like, nah, I'm in too, bro.
I had 30 lots open too.
Yo. Yeah, I don't mind the 30 lots. I just mind the amount on my account. You know, I got no problem with the 30 lots. It's just I need to have some more capital to do that.
What a trade today, guys. Oh man. That was nice.
Yep. Another one. Another one.
Let's go, Gino. That's what's up.
Just like Mr. DJ Khaled would say. Another one. Another one. There you go. Another one. He had to stutter step on that one. He said, Great job, Donald. Yep, shout out to Donald, man. Amazing.
What a trade.
When's the Bible study? Tonight at 7:45, gang. 7:45. I love that that's the big question here today.
Yo, Harshit, let's go. First 100 pips of your life.
Let's go.
Let's go. 1932 to, where even is that? Oh, was that the first initial sell?
Probably. Yeah, if you're in from the original cells up here, that's money. Yeah, that would have been 100 or 90 something.
Yeah, close enough.
I watched the entire stream, but I didn't take any trades. I want to be like you, but I don't want to copy you. So when are the strategy educational videos coming? They're gonna be dropping today. Some are gonna be today, some are gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna probably drop them maybe a video every day this week. So why do you wait for
today?
Huh?
You have a lot of calls today?
Yeah, I do actually. I got three time to eat elite calls here today. Gonna have some fun after the stream.
Are you free at like 11:30?
No, but I'll probably be free around like 2.
Alright, so I'll text you too.
Yeah, like 2. Why do you wait for a candle with a top and bottom wick? Because 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So if one doesn't have one, there's a high chance that it can come up to create one. So I wouldn't want to enter sells right here or something with no top wick, or right here, because this candle could easily retrace and come up to make a top wick, and that may be my stop loss, and then I get stopped out, and then price ends up, you know, driving back down. So we always got to wait for a top wick, because that also becomes a new high. It also gives us a potential stop loss, right? Because if we're taking trades, we can't use this stop up here, because that would be much too big, right? So we're gonna need a stop loss somewhere around here, and you know, this gives us that stop loss. So because if we're creating this high, breaking this low, well then we should come down and create a new low, which we did. And where was it? Right into that support. That's what we planned, and that's what we got. That's what we got. What's your opinion on swing trading? I don't really have one. Don't really have much of an opinion. Just holding trades longer. New here, what time do you usually trade to? We usually trade from 6:45 Eastern to about 10:30, 11. Will you be considering a buy? No. You got in that sell position? Yep. Oh, nice. Started my trading account. $10. Blew it 4 times. After watching you for a week, I'm in all green. Let's go. Well, that's good. Is trading hard to learn, and is it a recommended way to pay for teaching? What do you mean by that? Oh, nice. Gino's up 3%. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, that's the trade. I'm not going to be looking for buys or anything like that here. That's pretty much a trade. Trade of the day. 2%. Nice. Dope, dope, dope. Nice, nice. All right, yeah, I think that's gonna be the day here. I don't think I'm gonna be taking any other positions here. I think that's gonna be the day. 2 trades, 1 loss, another win, and that's probably gonna be it.
Yep, that was the move.
That was the move. So yeah, we'll probably have an early stream today. I'll probably call it here, gang. That was a good one. You know, that was a good one. We learned a lot today. We learned that we should always stay out of our red zone, and if we do, we may get screwed. And every day we stay out of the red zone. Today we didn't, and we paid the price for it. So, you know, we won't do that again. And we also, you know, we've seen how to take a loss, right? We've seen the right way to take a loss and how to not revenge trade it back, but to just sit tight and wait for the next setup, right? If that setup wouldn't have came to us, I would have been perfectly fine with closing my charts today and taking that loss and going home. But, you know, we happened to, you know, wait patiently, find another A+ setup and let it rip. And, you know, we got a good result out of it. So just a beautiful day all in, you know, all around. And, you know, again, I hope that's an example to really show you guys how losses are meant to be taken, how to take a loss like a top G and just keep it moving, right? Just keep it moving, wait for the next setup. Don't be a little whiner or complainer or try and revenge trade. That's literally what losers do. So you don't want to be a loser, right? You want to continue to be on that winning mindset, that winning mentality as a professional trader. And, you know, today you got to see how that's done. So thank you for thanks for purposely taking a loss to teach us all a lesson, brother. What other mentor does that type of stuff? Yeah, there you go. You see, I was just fooling with y'all. I was just fooling. But yeah, nah, in all seriousness, gang, that's how it's done. You know, and not only did I take a loss, but I took basically triple the loss that should have happened. But you know, still, you guys see me keep my cool, keep my composure. Didn't turn into a new person or a new trader, just stuck with the plan. And that's what you guys got to do, and that's what you should do, and that's what you're gonna need to do in order to survive in this game long term. So yeah, a lot of lessons today, but I think that's gonna be the day. I'm gonna go hang out with the kids a little bit, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be another big one.
I'll see you guys tomorrow in the chat. And I'll
Alright,
see some of you tonight if you're gonna
Oh,
be
yeah.
there for the war room.
That's
I'll
right.
see you tonight, mate.
Yeah, we'll see you guys tonight.
Scott, I'm sure I'll see you tonight.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
else, peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Nick,
Later, brother.
later,
Good
brother.
stuff today.
Beautiful day, yeah.
Yes,
You're
sir.
a man.
All right, bro.
I'm gone.
I'll see you, man. But yeah, chat. Yeah, we'll see some of you guys tonight for the Bible study. Tune into that. That'll be in the Discord. And for the rest of you guys, we'll see you back here tomorrow. So enjoy it. Enjoy that win. Let's move forward. Let's move on to the next day, and let's start to run up another win streak. How does that sound? If that sounds good, type a W in the chat, and we'll see y'all mañana. Yeah, W's. Oh yeah, and like the stream too. If that sounds good, like the stream, chat. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, we need 1K likes. We're almost there. So as we dip out of here, give the stream a like, and I'll see some of you guys tonight, and the rest of you guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace. I'm gone. Later, gang.